thing. 1 3 1 3. Check. 1 3 1 3 1 3. 1 3 1 3 1 3. All right, look like me fix it. 3 1 3. Check. 1 3 1 3 1 3. Check. 1 3. All right, YouTube up again. So let's see what I'm going. Everything balance out over there, you know. Yeah, everybody about say it hot everywhere, you know. People. The amount of people drop out, you know, over Europe, you know, from the heat, you know. Check. Chacha, you hear me now over YouTube? Check. Chacha, you hear me? Christina said good again. All right then, cool. Yeah, I think I know what happened. This NVIDIA thing on my computer. It just have a way where it just take over the audio from the desktop and thing, and it now use my mixer. All right. Mr. J, it's Sonia asks you over there. Yo, what has been the death rate from the heat in Europe this year? All right, let me see what it says. The record-breaking heat wave that engulfed Western Europe in late June triggered up to, are y'all ready for this? 14,000 excess deaths across the continent, according to the Euro Mortality Monitoring Network. Up to 10,650 excess deaths were recorded across 27 countries between June 22nd and 28th. Oh, damn. With over 9,000 of the fatalities occurring to individuals aged 65 and older. Would you like, yeah, well, I want to see which country them are dead from. All right. The heat over Europe and nothing now, man. Preliminary national data shows that Germany, the United Kingdom, and France suffered the highest casualties during the historic late June heat wave. Estimates compiled from national public health agencies outline how the hardest hit Western European countries were impacted. Germany, around 6,800 excess deaths. United Kingdom, 2,200 heat-related deaths. France, 2,000 excess deaths. Belgium, 1,740. Spain at 810. The Netherlands at 480. So no surprising, it's the countries, they're in Western Europe, but it's southwest. Well, it's southern part of Western Europe. I'm surprised that Italy and Greece, and Spain, they're like at the bottom of Western Europe. But the countries that have been hardest hit, Germany and the United Kingdom, the United Kingdom, is an island. It's an island, But like say Spain down here, so them the up here, so them the more north. Because if you notice, none of the Scandinavian countries, them not they panic, and them the up, you know, them the up in the cold part, the colder part. And thing. But you can imagine it in like from June, wait there, June 22nd to June 28th in Europe, especially in Germany and the UK and France. More than 14,000 people dead just from the heat. When I talk about who sick and dead and who get gunshot and who drown and who, yeah, but them I talk about people. Craigton said no AC in the UK. Oh, no, hold on, Craigton. No, because you know, some of that I wonder about that a while ago, Craigton. Come here and say, how the heat a kill off the people, them like, you know, you think developed country, you know? Developed country, you know? Oh, it's not a poor country, it's not a poverty with this and that country. What you mean AC now over there, Craigton? What you mean by that? Europe in general not use AC? Case and no, we have to buy portable. So hold on. It's not a standard thing said the apartment them and places come with AC and a standard something like that. We Milo said no, Delmarine said no, Tree said no, K said no, it's not like America. With the weather, AC was not factored in. What do you mean? Because of the general temperature there, AC, you know, there is no demand for it because it's usually, you know, get that hot in general. But, yeah, but the world has changed right you know. The world has changed right you know. And like we over here, like we had for a long time we've been getting any, we haven't been getting any snow, and it a pick up in the last, you know, couple winters. The last summer was rough on us. We got a lot of snow, you know. The first we get so much snow in a long time in the last winter, but in general though, over the years, what has been happening here is people in New York can't tell you, or New England, you know, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, they can tell you is that the warm time they might get longer. Like we're having some very warm days in October and November, and sometimes early December too. We have some unusually warm days. But with cold time them like last year, like our April, early May weather was unusually chilly. So it's almost like the cold time a shift go down, you know. Right? The time where we used to, when we say fall, and it start get chilly, late September and October, November, people in them little jacket and thing and whatever, and by December, winter jacket. And we usually wear with winter jacket them from down in December, go all the way to early March. You know, early March. But it's not unusual for us to get a snow shower too in March. But like early March, we wear a winter jacket go down to like early March. But the last one, we did get some cold time in a winter, in a April. And even early May too. In a May, we get some chilly days in a May, which was just unusual for we. You understand? So it's like the whole winter a shift go down. I don't know. But 14,000 people dead in a Western Europe from June 20, June 22nd to 28th from the heat wave. And them not have AC over there. It just never crossed my mind, you know, because oh, by the way, this is not hype. I just explain something to him. Me no live in England. So anytime me go England a hotel, me stay. So in my mind, because me stay in a hotel, you know, it just, and then over here, you know, AC is like a dime a dozen over here. So in my mind, it wasn't like an issue because to when me always stay, me always in a hotel, me I live there. And time I go there, me I work or something, you know. All right. England have AC like that. That's weird. That's weird. Big England. But again, it's a boy who never need it. So supply and demand, you know. Craig Johnson said 96 degree is unheard of in London. So up there, so they go 96 degree. And then let me tell you what happened with Europe now. When the Europeans, when people from England and France and them place and Italy and them place they come here, you know. Them regular thing is like Jesus Christ, America just big so, the road them just big so, everything just big so. I can't manage it, man. Everything just too big. Everything big. Big. And to we, when we go over there, everything chuck up, right? Right? When Americans and you know people from this side, Canadians and so forth, when them go Europe and think the road them just look narrow and whiny. But them used to that over England, you know. Them used to them something over there, you know. But we like just some little lane. The road them coming like some lane. What am I getting at? You see the more congested and compacted, you think? Are the more something that I can say. Are the hotter it gonna be, you know. Right? Anybody can tell you, say, when we there Jamaica and the place kind of tight for we or whatever, so we boil up down there, you know, right? Because we always chuck up somewhere, whatever, you know. Particularly, you know, if you're born and grow a ghetto and thing and whatever, and you have your little barrel in a corner, and you have this and that and this and whatever, you know. Hello? No good or what, boy? What? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. You weren't a virgin. Okay. Which part wanna do it? Wanna do it? Oh, wait, a back road you go or the one over Hellshire? Or that one there with the mirror them in the room? Okay, that me in a car over Hellshire over there wanna do it? And what you do? You sit down on it or you lay down on the back seat? Eh? Yeah, what? But you say you weren't from him. Oh, when you sit down on it and thing and treat my virgin and thing and whatever. So wait, yes, so you did go and boom it off see me when him? Okay, go on talk, yeah. All right, yeah, I want to start sweet already. Yeah, go on talk, yeah. Yeah. Mm, mm, Okay. So, but wait, so old. Say enough people don't know say man of virginity something for papa and bleed too. Say enough people don't know that. You never know. Yeah, man, we have one look at something at the back, like the first time you have sex, that bust too, and it bleed to just like on a hymen and a breathing. We have, yeah, you always want to let it go. You carry it so long. That is what I'm here for, darling. That is what I'm. So one and did it. So when him did go married the 2 days after for true. So one did still do it after I married and thing. Oh, so you did like him then? Yeah, you did like him. Okay. No, of course you did like him because you know go, but what do you mean him by your car and house? What do you mean? What do you mean? Like he did just own that door. And then why so wait, so what why him never did I get it from him wife the way you put it on him door? Oh, and then you did probably know for wine it and edge it and boom it off and nice him up and bite up him neck and all him something they do. Chop bomb buckler. Listen to me now. Yeah, I think whatever. You did that. You did have it. But house and car, you sure? They didn't have it like that. Oh. So how long you did how long you did that? How long you and him did that shelf it? Oh, damn. Damn. I mean, you bless him up before him going in marriage, no. So how you feel like the day when him a married and you know say you and him did a do it in a car 2 days before? But what do you mean? What do you mean that him chose to do it? Nah, nah. So you know if he say you chose to sleep with him to knowing that him did ever get married in a 2 days. You never chose to. No, no, you not answer me, no choose you did choose to. Yeah. Okay. All right. Just as you could have said no to. Right. Okay. Like two I wanna make a choice. I wanna do one thing. Okay. So when I and him still married. Okay. But you never broke him out in a little, swiping and him so. Right. Yes, yeah, none of them. And for now, I'm thinking that wet up him face down. All right, man. I said nothing. I'm glad you could have get that off of your chest because you carry that piece of weight there for a while, man. All right, that's the word, my respect and bless. Yeah, man, protection, man. Cool. Yeah, if you don't want to make this a confession night, then so be it. Right, so be it. Hello, yo, sir. Orion, you come up in that box and I will bring you up, what? You're not that. All right, you look like you never mean for that. Well, this is Ragashanti Live on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And this is the show where a woman come on and she talk her mind and she say she would have grind Marcia good as man. Cause she a Marcia good as an a friend. Right? You don't know which woman said that. Say she would have grind Marcia good as man because she and Marcia good as an a friend. Right? You don't know who said that. And people love blame if you say, them never said this and whatever. But I'm glad she said. And the whole I want to hear when the lady called in and said, you see, Chumpy a mix up, You see it, Chumpy a never there, Chumpy a big man, if you have put nobody, you see anybody put any name in a chat, Chumpy, I want me to you, man. And you put the wrong name. You put the name of the woman who are war with the woman who say. Right? You put the name of the woman who are war. You put hot and spicy, and it's not hot and spicy, say it in a chumpy. And you run and put people name in a chat. Right? Yeah, everybody who hear a woman say it and thing, them follow me leading, and nobody no put out her. Say, Master good as go put out her name. Right? The lady come over here and she said, you see like how me and Master good as a friend, right? And if me see, and she have a way when she emphasize her thing, she go down in a little gravelly bass voice, She said, would grind her man in reference to Master. Hello? Hello? Yeah, what? What? You love me? You sure you love me? You don't love me, man. You just attack fool. You don't love me, man. No, another man give you backers, and you would have to give me the backers. Then so you want to bend over and give me a backers. So you sure me could have managed you or you could have managed me? But why you love me and want to give me a backers? Why? What? Me have do what? Me look like me what? Nah, man, I joke. Yeah. You serious? Or you just a joke it out? You serious? No, you serious? You don't give me a backers, you true? Oh, you want bend over and make me put it on you, don't? Yeah, but sometimes I like, if like my spirit take my level, I grab here and thing and then that would I be able to do that? Okay. And I can push over your head and thing and then go over your soul and thing and just send it up in you. You can manage that. Eh? Just so like it. You ever think about it like me and you do it? But you say what? How that go? Every time go and fix up your voice. Now make nobody pick up your voice. Go and camouflage it. So you say every time you watch me, you think about it? You ever, eh? Anytime you watch me, you want it done. Boom, but if I ever catch you, so hold on. So you ever I watch me and thing and just kind of like rub out one and thing, eh? No, hold on. No. You ever watch me and just kind of rub out one, just put on there and pop off one? And that you what? Yeah. Don't, yeah, just say you rub it, Don't say the actual thing, yeah? Hold on. You rub it now? Yeah, go and rub it. You take time rub it or you rub it on? It's stiff. Well, and it's stiff right now, though. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you go and wind up on it and rub it and thing. What you imagine me I do know? What you imagine me I do know? Eh? What you imagine me I do know? Eh? But make sure what? Now slide it down in the door. Okay. Right. You still a rub it? Don't stop it. You what? Yeah, yeah, see the man good and the man a chat to you now, don't. All right. You like them up in the ear, don't? Jeez. Anything for you, Raga. Whoa. So what you ready for turn on and put in your mouth now? You ready for turn on and eh? Chop, listen to murder. Yo. Whoa. All right. Don't worry yourself, man. All right. Me just want to say, um, I am honored that, I hold that space in the head and can help you out, when you're ready for pop off a piece here. All right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself here. No, not tell nobody. I just between me and you, here. Nobody now gonna know what we just talk about. Leave it right there, so. Yeah, me and your secret. You protect me and me protect you, here. All right, now say a word, and then anytime we buck up, make sure say you saggle up and thing, because we know in a dolly house thing and the play something, I work, we are going to work, you understand what I mean? Yeah, because I go want to bite your neck and squeeze your banana and something there, yeah? All right, now say a word, big up yourself, yeah? All right, love and blessings, man, cool. Yeah, man. Yo, I can't bother. Yo, listen to me, the people. I want life when I have to live here. Joy, Raga, you have to take a trip to St. Kitts. Why? Why, Joya? Eh? Why? Tell me why we have to take a trip to St. Kitts. Why? I've never been there, over the night. Why we have to take a trip to St. Kitts? Eh? Sonia Buena, man. My girl ready for you. What is I said? Oh, okay. I understand. Man. Me never pick up that part there, Wanna not miss nothing. Wanna not miss nothing. You think it's easy. Greetings. Good night. And we're not on a topic, we just attack, What go on? Yeah. Oh, yeah, all right. You sure? Just so? I would now, man. With the, no, me come late, cause me start nickel after 7 and thing and whatever. And then my son a come up from Florida. Zion a come up tonight too and things. So I have to go airport for him and them something there. Busy day for me, All right, you eat dinner already though, don't? What you have for dinner? Some white rice and cricket? Oh, my thing is a cricket, so you eat white rice and cricket. Me no. Me never did I hear problem. I think you say you eat white rice and cricket. We go say, what? Chicken. What kind of chicken? Fried chicken. Who cook it? Who cook it? Oh, you had a long trip today, so you buy chicken and thing and whatever. You know the brand chicken where you buy? How where you buy it? Supermarket? Popeyes. You know, my daughter loves Popeyes, but I probably go there like once a month now, you know. Why them have to raise up them something so? Don't your sister them raise up them things, them raise up them food like really bad, no? No, but Papa is out of control, man. Papa is out of control. Me not really, he's not like a fast food person, but my daughter, she's into Popeyes, you know. She like Popeye. Yeah. Me know. And them too expensive, man, compared to others. Man, I know why no man go and say. Pretty eyes. No, the JLP, PNP thing cancel for tonight and tomorrow. We have to go do it to another time because there's so much going on this week, and thing. So your belly full. So what you drink with that now? You make a lemonade. Oh, you buy the lemonade from Popeyes to because they sell a lemonade. Okay. Where they get leg and thigh or wing and breast? Leg and thigh are lead. Me no know some people eat breast, you know, and they dry, so you know. Me no know people like breast, you know. Well, we are talking about the food, separate from some other things. You know? But yeah, guys, sound like your belly full. You talk like your belly full. Like, you know, sound hungry. Yeah. You sound very different than when like Ilian and Marcia at and spicy them call because them usually hungry. You can hear the hungry enough for them voice when they talking. I mean, not hear no hungry in your voice and thing. I mean, no hungry me hear in your voice. But somebody could give thanks, no? So your belly can't full in them times. I don't. All right, now say a word here. Big up yourself here. Yeah, mad thing, man. Blessings, man. Cool. People, man, telling if I'm knowing, man, I forgot. Man, I forgot go airport. I go pick up my son. What come up, you know. Popeye's app and get discount on them. What? That a go on? Hello? Wait, what happened? What happened, my friend? Yeah. Awa. No, but yeah. Yeah. And then pop off, yeah. No, but oh, you ever say that? You don't know if Diane train with that one. Me know, but you don't know if Diane train with that one half of Miss Lady and thing. What? You don't know. No. The old that woman, them, the way she what? Man, you know, fear phone always a beat her. We not hear you, you know, lady. Yeah, go out that door because yeah. Yeah. Who says that? She must be Jamaican, right? Ah, you're outside. Me hear your friend them. Yeah, me hear the man to him say somebody a jacket. Give me the mix up. I want to go on out there. Because you know my ears pick up things. Him say somebody a jacket. One man say somebody a jacket. Ask him who a jacket. No, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, man. The man say somebody a jacket. Who want to hear about that? Who him a talk about a jacket? Ask him. No, what him say? What him say? What him say? What him say? No, me hear somebody say somebody a jacket like somebody would have say like somebody would have say sinner a jacket like sinner alicious a jacket something like so. You never hear that some person say something about jacket. Yeah. I let and that him, oh, him no want talk. All right then. See, car. But no me hear him say a jacket that. Hold on, Dos Santos, hold on, Dos Santos, big up, me see the Galaxy, me see Dos Santos, well, me go say me G, me no know. Dos Santos, me see the Galaxy, respect and honor. Yeah, go on talk now, what you say now? Dos Santos, Galaxy again, yeah, go hard, respect, yeah, yeah, yes. Sure, what I want the name tribe? They stick, so why you stop a cock? Black Spider, right? Who? Sinner, yeah. Oh, Stinger, yeah. Chad, Zim, Zima dede, Zim dede and Zima. For Johnny, Black Jesus, but yes. Uh-huh. You don't think Zion, so you don't think Zion train would want her. But she's generally very confident, you know, and I still believe she want to protect Zion train for a million years. So and she's very confident and she's sneaky. But why? So why if she so but if she's so confident, oh you know she can't get Zion train. Suppose she hold it and put no what I'm saying is woman have a way when them catch man and when them like start nibble him neck and whine it up on him and this and that. You're frightened if you know the man come on quick here. Islington. Mind where you post. Islington. Mind where you post, because you post the strangest thing. Well on, 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 well on. Islington fine. Okay, noted. Thank you. Because I don't want TikTok come. TikTok have a way if you say we are a bit discriminatory when we're not. Just because certain things set and post. Yes, so what you say now? What you say now? If you boom it off and what? What you say? No, but you don't know what I want. You don't even know that. You know, hold on. You know, if he says she heard Zion Train talk more than you, she more probably qualified to tell you about Zion Train still because you not a long time she listen to Zion Train and thing. You probably don't even use the Zion Train. No, but you don't know. You don't know if she have it, she have what it takes for kick with Greenland foot and take with Zion Train and start play up in her bed. You know, say you go like you want to call up my show. Nah, hear her, you know, you see she go like she want to call up my show. Me not hearing you, you know. You hold up your show. Me not hear her, people. You know, I want to go on. It's not a good look when you take on people, you know, you come here, your phone now working, because you thief people Wi-Fi. That is not a good look. That is not a good look, right? Because we have a saying in Jamaica, bad to bad. I don't know what it mean, you know, but I don't know what it mean literally, but we can't use it. Bad to bad. Alien phone give problem when alien call you. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Alien phone work. You understand, right? So, you know, you have to be careful, you know, if you take on somebody and thing, and then like, you know, the person phone work good and your phone work good and whatever. It's not a look good. You know. Greetings. What? Yeah, man, what go do? Boston, Massachusetts, and thing, but one of my local old long time stamping ground, long time though, and thing and thing. I want some respect. I see you send some galaxy up upon a while, you know, and thing. Respect and blessings here. Even though me not bother people for gift over here, but we still give thanks, all right? Right, right. Give thanks. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Gratitude. And them thing them use by Robux for my kids, you know. Them love them play them thing, Robux and thing. Yeah, man, it goes some man. So what I go down differently? Yeah. Oh, Zane. Yes, please proceed. Proceed. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I used to live there when I was in graduate school. I used to live in Hartford. Yes. There you go. Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Right, 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 right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right, right. Still good, yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Right, 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 right. Yeah. Who there with you? Who there with you now? Oh, oh, okay, okay. Oh, bear with you. No, you listen, I don't care what you say people post, is me run the show and I am patient. So you just talk. Establish your context and then say what you have to go through. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. The West Prospect area. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. So no, yeah, refer to the girl from Trinity in Alinston. Oh, the Trinity girl. The good looking Trinity girl, yeah. Right, right, right. Right. Yeah, yeah. There, yeah. Uh well, I know a burner boy. Yeah, yeah, I know a burner boy. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, right, right. Yeah. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Right, right, right. Yeah, right. Smart. Right, smart. Yeah. No, hold on. Sean, me no bored. I'm listening. Are you impatient? Yeah, am I going a story time and whatever? But Sean, don't say me bored. No post that in our chat. I'm not bored. Are you bored? Right? But me good. Me a listen cause me a follow. Yeah, yeah. Go on talk. You go on talk. Yeah, go on talk. Eh. Oh, wait. 1 second here. Cause we're having some sound problem. I don't know why, but hold on 1 second. Let me see something here. Cause them said them not hearing you on YouTube. So what? Wait 1 second here. Me just let me see something. No. Stay away there. Me just Christina. Thanks for updating. No. Hold on. All right. Carla, 1 second. Just say, wait. Carla, bossy.
Yeah, man. Me?
Yeah.
I'm here.
All right. Let me see if them Christina, let me know if them are here now. Here. All right.
Yeah, let me know.
All right. All I want who are complain about the length of the way matter because when people draw a thing, make me run the show. Make me run the show, yeah?
Your
Make me
context is
make
the
the show. Yeah, make me
co-
run the show, right?
your
Not
context is the
not
most important thing of the story, all
all
right?
right, right. Make me run the show. All right, thank you, Christina. All right, go on talk. Yeah, go on talk. Mm-hmm.
All right. So at this point, as I said to her, I said, listen, the place is big. We have two breadfruit tree, one jump plum tree, one orange tree. We can crawl, we can walk, we can do anything you want to do. But it's better that you come to mine. And then which she said, okay, no problem. What would you like to eat? I said, all right, what do you like to eat? She said, fish. I said, okay, I will buy the fish and then you can come.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So imagine. And so we start with the red flags, right? So we're walking through Linstead Market. We go to the fish shop. And the girl picks up like 4 or 5 fish, same parrot fish, right? So I said, okay, all right, this is nice, no problem.
Well, you are not
But
go fish. You are not go fish shop to buy fish. We could actually pick up
no, no,
about five
no,
fish.
no. So it's Baraga, Linstead Market. So you're walking through Linstead Market, you go fish, pick up the scallion,
No
pick
man,
up
no, no,
the
nobody go,
onion,
no,
pick up
nobody
the.
going at
Oh,
that.
no,
But she
sorry,
pick,
sorry,
yeah,
sorry,
yeah.
sorry,
So
sorry.
she
All
pick
right,
up
so pick up
five
everything.
fish. She pick up five
Yes,
fish.
yes, 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 yes. And I
And
said,
then,
no problem.
all right, and then no
No,
go back.
all
And
right.
then no go.
But
Then what?
yes, yes, yes. But then she said, yo, my sister is going to come. Remember, the same sister was the friend, the context. The sister was my friend, the 18-year-old sister. My sister has to come. So all of a sudden, I find myself walking through Linstead Market. The sister joined, and then as we're walking through, I see people looking. Right, people are looking and saying, "Oh, yo, I won't say her name, but yo S, who that, who that?" And then I can see her feel uncomfortable, right? So I
Uh,
said, "But artist, I don't realize, right?" But now I look back and I say, yo, but maybe the woman must have a man or something, right?
uh,
Because she feels uncomfortable because she's walking with a strange man that's very clearly maybe foreigners. Maybe they can smell it on me, right? And then maybe she's afraid that somebody is going to go and tell somebody else, yo, so Missy S
right,
with
right.
Ray. Okay, whichever. All right,
But then, so what
fast
happened? Yeah,
forward.
fast forward now.
All
Yeah.
right, all right, cool. So,
Mm-hmm.
so all of a sudden, I find myself in the. Remember, I wasn't driving at this time, so I called my cousin as a taxi driver to come pick us up. Right, so you can see the big grin on his face. Yo, Tuss, how it is? How them? It's two girls, big bag of fish, all the ingredients, and it's me and them driving up to the last house in Prospect, which is just me. And he says, "All right, cool. I'll come back for you. Just call me if anything." So I said, okay, no problem. So we go down, the girl's cooking the fish. While we're in the house, the girl's cooking the fish, we're having a nice conversation. Oh, so how was
Well
the
on,
Burner
well
Boy
on, well
thing?
on, well
No,
on,
we're
well
going
on.
back to Burner Boy.
Well
All right,
on,
all
well
right.
on. So are the two of them there or are you and her
Yeah,
alone there?
it's me, the girl I like, and the sister.
And the sister. All right.
Yes, yes,
But
yes. And
so,
and
but well
remember,
on, so
between
well on. So by this time, you don't know them style when woman I come meet and then bring somebody with them for shield
no,
you off.
no,
You don't know them thing there.
no, but Raga,
Uh,
I'm telling you,
no, but
I,
all right,
I
but
had a,
yeah, in the interest of the people, them I think. So get on to the real mix-up part. You know?
yes, okay, okay, all right, Raga. So the same friend who was my friend, actually at this point between the past 2 years had a baby, so she brought the baby with her. So sorry, there was three of us in the back of the taxi. All right,
We
continue.
who
So
have
we're in,
baby?
yeah.
Who have baby?
No, no, the sister, the younger one, the
The
young
18
sister.
year old one bring
Yes, the
baby
eight
too.
year as a baby. Yeah. So all of a sudden it's me and three extra passengers. It's not just me and the girl, which I like.
Right, that's how you know you're not that you not get
Yo,
a kiss.
Reggae,
You know?
my points. Yo, Raga, that's the point why I even
Right,
invited
that's how
myself
you know
to
say you
this.
buy fish, but you not
My,
get fish.
Raga.
All right.
That's the
But when I
reason.
get down to it though, get down to it though. I'm
Okay,
to hear
all
what
right.
going. Mm.
All right. So as I said, okay. So we're in the house. The one I like is at the pot, frying the fish, and then me and the sister are on the settees. Okay. Oh, my best friend. Oh, so good. Oh, he likes you so much. I just had the baby boy, but he loved you so much. Okay, whatever. And I go into the kitchen, and then the girl says, "Oh, so burn up, boy. Well, go on with that, right?" So I said, okay, you know what? I will buy the tickets right now. So I buy the tickets online. So me and her are secured. No, yo, Raga, please bear with me. So I said,
No,
okay, let
no,
me buy the.
you have to go done it quick. No, you have to go
Okay,
tie it
okay,
up, tie it
okay,
up. Yeah,
all right,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say
So what? Yeah.
I buy the two
Well,
tickets.
how much it was for
So,
the two ticket? Remind me, 2022. How much you buy for the two ticket then for Burner Boy? Cause we know it did expense.
$80 for one ticket, so $160 for the two tickets.
For the two ticket them. Okay,
For the
yeah.
okay, understood, right?
Mhm.
So now I buy the tickets. The tickets are good. The girl's frying the fish, enjoying herself. I said, no problem. Now I'm on the settee with the sister, and I go into my room to go pick up something. The sister comes to me and says, in a whisper, she says, yo, Tuss, come here. Yo, my baby father didn't send me any money for the baby. You can't give me like 30 grand. for some pampers and feeding and whichever. And I said, but wait, I'm not the father. So why are you asking me? But worse, your sister is in the kitchen and you know I like the sister. So I don't understand this. So you understand why I would feel away, right?
Right, right,
Worse.
right.
Okay, but I said to her, I said, yo, I'm sorry, but I don't really have it right now. I just bought the tickets for Burner Boy. Thank God for the excuse. All right, no problem.
Yeah.
So so she said, okay, okay, I understand. Now, fast forward, everybody is gone. The time for the concert comes up. The girl says to me, yo, what's the plan for the night of the concert? I say, we're going to go to the concert. My auntie has a hotel up in Kingston. It's me and you. We have a nice room. We can drink from the bar for free. We can sleep. And then I'm going to have somebody drive us back to like Lingsted Bagwalk area. You can either come back to my place or I can drop you off by Trinity in Linsted. And the girl says to me, you know what she said to me?
What?
She said, yo, you know, me and my friend, remember the friend, the other bartender?
Yeah.
Me and my friend, we're just going to go back to Bagwalk after the concert and then you can just come and meet me over there. So, but Raga, as terrible as that is, because that's not the end of the story, I'll finish it right here. Basically, it's almost like the friend said to tell the girl I like, yo, just tell him that his uncle will pay for the ticket and then me and you can go. So basically, the girls were trying to use them head on me and say, yo, make the man buy the ticket. Then me, you, and him will go up. We will drink our liquor. We will eat. And then after that, just leave him in the hotel. And then we will go back to Linstead. But at the end of the thing, I kept the ticket that I bought for the girl and basically just gave it to my niece. My niece is 15. Me and her enjoy ourselves. We went to the same concert, VIP drink, and the same girl I was going to take with me, I didn't really tell her until the day before. I let her buy her a dress, let her buy her eyelashes, let her buy her nails, and I say, yo, sorry, I gave it to my niece. But here's the link to the concert. You can buy the ticket for yourself. All right, go it. All right, don't talk, don't talk, don't talk, don't talk.
Hold on, nah, man. I too take a your buck up one, man. I too step on, man. A regular thing them do that, man. A regular, whatever. Yes, if I walk through the town and the people, them, whatever, you get that look of feeling there. The people them know exactly what I go on. Them I say, I walk the one she catch somebody right here now. I off a foot that she broke and whatever. The people them
No,
are
but I'm not stupid.
no, but me I tell you, say the people them know what I go on. You understand? I too take a
You're,
woman,
you're,
man.
you're racy. You realize? Yo, my friend Racy is in here and understand. Jesus Christ.
Oh, you know Racy?
Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yo, and somebody did post and say you is our twin. Your mother is that your mother have a
No,
twin?
no.
Or
Not me, not me, not
something,
me.
somebody and thing or whatever. Yeah, man, I true, you're a good boy, you know, and them kind of read the play. You're a good boy, and you have a look of food and things. So, uh,
No, but just think, yeah. But the thing is, the one thing I don't like is, listen, nobody, listen, I was born in Jamaica. Although I left at 7 years old, I still spend enough time in Jamaica to realize when somebody take me for an idiot.
nah, well, on
And
them, I gotta ask you something now.
all right.
The way you juggle right you know, you like a woman, right? At some point, you flirt with her heavy if you make sure you know your intention and thing.
Of
You do them so.
course,
Are you always
of
a
course.
Are you always a gentleman?
And the gentlest of the gentlest.
Wait, do you have it in you if you look on a woman and say, if it, you know, certain woman you can't talk to that way, you have to know who you can't talk to. But do you have it in you if you tell a woman say, no, you know, I want you come over me and you go on with some things, you know. You have it in you if you say something like that to her?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Style, trust me. Understood.
Honestly?
Honestly,
All
I
right.
think the girl just didn't like me, and the girl had her man at home because she did. So the
No
girl
man,
wanted to get it from me.
no man, I broke your foot, man. No, we know that. Everybody, people pick it up from early. Most people who are listening
Mm.
pick it up from early. But when me
No, no,
I ask you
but the
now,
worst, but the worst.
no worry
Okay,
about she. When me I ask you now, you juggle differently with woman now?
I would say yes.
Okay, all right then. Cause
I would say yes.
you learn, right? You learn, though.
No, but remember, this is 2022. It's 2026 now, so I want to learn from that experience. But I
Oh,
can tell this story now. I can tell this story now and laugh. But at that point, I felt like people were trying to use their head on me. Because even the
Right.
uncle was the next one that was trying to plot with the girl and say, yo,
No,
just
no,
tell him to buy the ticket.
no man, the uncle original, man. The uncle original, you know.
What?
And the uncle carry you around and thing like that and whatever. You see all the car where she drive, where she say she and the uncle and whatever. I send the uncle must want she for take off something off for you, you know. Right? But then
Somebody
now,
said,
but yeah,
so,
the uncle bring you there right, you know, it's a boom boom boom. Cause the uncle probably a jump up in her belly for you, you know, but the uncle just want to whatever.
exactly.
Yeah, you understand that. Who knows? She probably a tell one that. Me don't know. But them all are
Yeah.
never general and thing
Yep.
because me know what you feel now, you know. But you see, oh,
No,
you
no,
talk,
never, never,
well,
never.
on, you see, oh, you talk and all your sound. You see, them people they down, they say, who you buck up on and whatever. From them hear how you talk and hear how you sound, your target. No feel now, you hear?
Yo, millionaire Greenland.
Yeah.
Nobody scammed me because remember, they wanted me to pay for the next ticket and then pay for the girl's ticket. I didn't pay for anybody's ticket. I waited to the last minute and I say, yo, the ticket's no longer available. I'll bring my niece. Here's the link to the concert. You can buy it yourself. I will see you there because I was able to see it for myself.
Well,
I just find it disappointing.
millionaire Gleanan can't tell you about say what name there because when she did younger too and she did in a fear days, she met man kiss her for bulla. Right? So she got through for fear thing too. Man kiss
So,
her,
Bulla,
look a man
wait,
kiss her
but
for bulla.
no, but Bulla, no peer. That's the issue. No peer,
No,
just Bulla.
no, it was dry bulla, not even look butter. A dry bulla she get her, whatever. So she go through fear development, you know. Cause you have some people, you know, them go through them clown fears and then them know better now. But them love to judge people and thing and whatever. And conveniently I forget say them they go through for them yamed face too and them clown face too and whatever, right? You
Yo, yo,
understand? Yeah,
Raga,
yeah.
Raga. It's not a yam, it's a cassava, and I'm going to jump off with this and let you continue with your show. But thank you for the
Respect, man.
opportunity to
Yeah,
share
man.
the story.
Respect.
All
Yeah,
right.
right, man. Protection. Yeah, big up Boston and thing. All right, cool. Man, I told take the dog buck up on man and whatever. You know the woman don't know that something if I'm gonna bring on a friend. I ain't that woman about a friend I come and whatever and drive the car about the friend I come to over there and whatever, this and that. Idiot thing that, you know? Yeah. If you know say me a drive for you and me and look at me car and we go cook fish together, you buy 5 fish. Full of 5 fish you buy for cook. Yeah. And the deal was you for come over our house and we have a cook fish together and who for tell what kind of after fish done fry another fish for get steamed though. Yeah. The minute you tell me say, oh, you know say my friend I come, she come with her baby, she come over to give me back my fish. Give me back my 5 fish. You and your friend and the baby go on, go on. Give me back my 5 fish, right? Give me, you know what, go on with the fish. Go on with the fish. Don't bother come on my yard. Don't bother come on my yard. Don't bother come on my yard. Right? Don't bother come on my yard. You come on my yard. Me, you know say me I look you. You know me I drive for you. Right? And him probably, you know, he might be a gentleman. Nothing wrong with that. Spend some money, buy a little liquor, whatever, go out on a date. That's a part of the thing. But if we reach a point now where you say, yeah, come over my yard, and the agreement was that, and you say you want fish, and you want to go buy the fish before you come over my yard, I mean, say, all right, we're going to buy fish and cook fish. And we go so boom, and we go buy fish, and a 5 fish you pick up. Right? Because right tell me on the point, I say, oh, it's a 5 fish girl list. Right? That means say, you know, right? Right? We are, right? And them look a thing that all I man them me I tell you no want go on. You see them look at something there? Men, listen to me. You see when woman really rate you all when nothing no start yet and whatever, when them really rate you and interested in you, them don't know what go on, you know, nothing and them not plan for do nothing yet, but them just like you. Them always I think said, no, me no want go to, you know, him want, but you want fish? You want fish? Well, if you want fish, you can't get fish, you know. Right? You see a woman who really respect you and feel you upon a level where she say, yo, she have some respect for you. You know, I'm looking at her. She go say, me only want 1 fish, you know, how many fish you want? Or like, or you eat, like, where you want 1 fish or 2 fish? She not run go buy no 5 fish. I saw woman stay. Them look a thing there if you pay attention to. You see if you juggle with that woman and you a draft here. You see minute you say go out and whatever this and that and she talk about the most expensive place and whatever. She not see her with no respect. You see if she see her with respect, she think about your interest. She think about what kind of pressure they upon you. She think about what you want to do or whatever. Them, a so woman program them thing there. Worse if you're not woman plan say boom, we not go link. Is it from a woman drive the car that my friend I come to and whatever? If I go on with a gangster thing, you just say, oh, your friend I come? All right, you are going. Mrs. say, yeah, your friend want to hang out that. Yeah, man, I can't hang out, man. When you're ready for check me, you can't check me. One hour, yeah? Because the next time me and you meet, we're at that point now where we must spend some time together. We don't have to do nothing, we don't have to have no sex or nothing. We just have to keep it 100 with you, but yeah, but you can't, me and you can't meet alone after we are date and all them something there. And the plan, our arrangement, was for me and you spend some time together. You know, mean say you go look front from her. That me I run it, me and I run you, me I try and I get it and you're cool and you're easy. You see what me I say? But the minute she draw that up, my friend I come to, right? If a woman really care about you, she not do that. If she interested in you, she not do that. All when she not ready for run it pan you, she still not draw the friend card up. And men, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Me nah say she bring the friend, not give you the front. If the arrangement was she for come over your house, come spend some time, that don't mean say you get front. You may get it. But that don't mean say you get front. You may not get the front, and that is all right. That's cool. There's nothing wrong with being a gentleman, right? There's nothing wrong with being a gentleman. I'm not a man fool you, right? You can't be a gentleman, right? But I say, when you be a gentleman, just know say you have some woman out there. Because you're a gentleman, they will target you for clown you. So if you draft your woman and the woman knows say you like her, right? And because you like her, make you focus on her, you carry her out and whatever this and that. I want to make arrangement for me to over your ends. A smart movie make for not go her yard, right? From fear base, she call the shot, she run the thing, anything can reach him this. So that was a smart move. But if the arrangement will come off him yard or whatever, and then, last minute to draw that card, the regular card woman them drawing. Oh, my friend I come to, she says, my friend I come. Oh, for real? All right, you are go. Spend some time with your friend that day, okay, me find something else. No, it's just that. She said, no, it's okay. It's cool. It's cool. Boom, boom, boom. Or then me go say, oh, all right, then me will come alone and thing. And you know what, men, you know what you do right there, so? And when she say, all right, my friend now go come, me will come, right? Because you don't communicate to her, say, B, me not run it down. I like it, but me not run it down. So then me flip it to you and go say, all right, I'll come. I'll tell my friend not to come. I'll come. You see when she do that, tell her no. Say, no, nobody come. All right? That's Bill, man. You can't chill, Take some time, think about it and whatever, all right? Because I'm going to do something that day. Yeah, I really go do something. But I bluff, because I'm pick up if you can't jack yard. Really go do something, right? Really go do something that day there. And when she flip and she, remember really want to come? No, don't make she come. Don't make she come, right? You have to know if to communicate them things to woman, right? You have to know if to make woman know say, something interesting, I really like you, boom, yeah. And it's obvious because you call her, you spend time with her, but you're interested in her. But the minute a woman roll upon you, them made it. Is either you go cut her off or you go conduct yourself in a way of a command respect from her. Because for some woman, them not gonna like you, because if them not respect you, them not respect you. Some of them have them woman, have them man and them just want to nyam you. But sometimes woman just attest you to see what you're made of. Right? And when you start move now, like, I like it, but I'm not then over you. Me I give attention, but me not desperate over you, whatever. Woman prefer, woman respect them man de. And them man the woman respect. If you eat that and whatever, and she can just wrap you around her finger and get anything she want, and your focus is just like 24 hours. You just want, wait name the tour, whatever. After a while, even if she did there, don't look a careless man and she appreciate that from me. After a while, she still have to take it for granted and whatever. Cause woman are like a man without backbone. Right? Know that. You get the respect where you deserve in general. Based on how you conduct yourself. Now, based on what she want from you. You understand what I say? Okay, cool. Mm. Draw a card on the general and thing, boy. Yo, them pull the baby thing, and when she come over with the baby and thing, she just buck him one away in her room. I want to take all a 30 pack and 5 differently. Them cool. Yo, I was sweet, you make you laugh, so I was.
Yo, respect elder.
You see it.
Yeah, no, we just listen to the man. I mean, like, yo, even my wife wanna come from Jamaica, so yo, I boobs them out,
And when she know about boobs, And boobs are over, look at talk from way back in a super cat time. But when your wife know
Yeah.
about boobs. Yeah. Yeah, cause all of who we are listening from early on, we see the play before him even reach down this and explain it.
Yeah, man, cause when I say from him starts when him starts say yo, him uncle start taking him around. So yeah, that's at this side end.
Ah.
At this side end.
No, you see,
Cause
from the minute him say, oh, me like, that's why you see all the people them who are rush him. That's why my son go man, me no bored. I'm say Sean come out and I say Raga bored. Because you hear what him say, me I go into the context. So you see all of them things they when him take him time explain with some people impatient. It was important now for understand the context of the thing. You
yeah,
follow
because
me?
because not everybody can catch where I go from the beginning. When him start, me already know where I go with them. So yeah, somebody are gonna name him out somewhere along the line.
No, but me say the details and where I'm going a class in a school, called the story. Because based on when all of when him explain now, you hear what him say? Him keep on I say context. And he's quite right. Because based on everything when him explain, the context, all them details, make we understand what did I go on with where the uncle bring him over to that woman that who got tell him say she and her uncle, she and the uncle in her things. When him bring her over there.
Him know where I do. Him know where I
The
do.
uncle
I
know
set
what
up
him
that.
do, man. I set up, man.
He'll set up that.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know what's funny? Because when we did there Jamaica, and before I migrate to the US, right? In the community shop, we did, like a few women in there. And then nobody are giving up play. But as soon as I'm here, some leave and come back, all of a sudden, every other day, them a come on me yard. I'm like, yeah, me nah it.
A regular thing that down there, man, and whatever. Regular thing that down there. Yo, when me there Augustone, Santos Senan again, one big dirty wheel. Yeah,
Yeah,
when
man.
me there Augustone, whatever, man, you there some woman, them now look for me, I did have one, she did like them, you have some youth to play basketball and she like a basketball boy, but she never
Man.
liked me, But me, you're young and you want, yeah, this and that or whatever. I'm gonna go fly out. Me did go England this summer before, but the next summer, me end up go Camp Joel or Connecticut, And
Yeah.
boy, I drop back in a place and all them thing there. But them time that you're young and you just never even understand why. Me did just frighten because she started see me. And she started see me, but them time that you hear that, she like me. she like me. She finally she said, me like her, but me and I
Yeah.
put two and two together, my youth. You
She
just
don't
make a
like
trip,
you.
go foreign and come back.
She don't like what she can't get from you.
Yeah, you understand. Then I know, say, like, eventually, like, when me I'll come up, one next one. But me and she did that thought, though. Me and she called some brother, some man down one place named Vietnam, Boom Dong, a.k.a. Boom Dong. A gunman them down there, then give me permission to talk to her. Yeah, me used to go on there late at night, sneak out of my auntie house and go on there, but I'm going on the true. I know I go, I'm walking on the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I owe you. I, me, me come back color red. I come here, come down there for fuck off again. I said, no. So when you see me walking on the middle of the road, me not say who me I talk to you in the darkness them there, you know.
Yeah.
And thing or whatever. And then him say, you're lucky here, true, you're good youth, a colored corner you come from. And I say, yeah, man. And say, all right, here we are going. Go and go do your things, so, you know? Always going on. But then, when me go back or whatever, me get letter that the time me a hustling a clean toilet at Camp Joel, you know. And then I work on
Yeah.
a Christmas tree farm. I get a letter, you see, Gucci, Prada. One more to say that she want, yeah. She put out some brand name in them. I don't even know say a brand name there. You know? Yeah.
Listen, man.
Take of them, man.
Listen, mate. Me cut all of them off. Me say, yo, you know want me when me there take bus to go downtown for work in a supermarket? Continue don't want me.
Oh.
Cause me not in it. Me not in it.
So when you never go through one general phase that when you book up on a woman like, and she go on like she smart for outsmart you and you just play fool for catch wise and then boom and get her for drop her drawers and thing and nothing run. You never do that yet.
Yeah, man.
You do that?
Yeah, man. I mean, like, you know what? Can't.
You never get a cuss out after you get the front and you know say nothing. You never get a cuss out. You don't know
Yeah,
about that something.
yeah, I get cuss out, but I change my number.
You change your number. All right, now say a word. Me or your lady in the background in a big arrow.
Yeah, she always there, man. She always there.
I said, listen, you sure. I said,
We,
I understand the part to fully, don't.
listen, that's the only thing me talk to her, you know.
All right, see it there. Big up yourself, man. I say a word here.
Yeah, say something if you want to say something.
No,
Hello.
hello, hi, how are you?
Good things. Choppers are going to chop.
The choppers are gunshot, yeah. Right? We choppers are going to do what choppers do. Right? Choppers chop. Right. So I chopping a go on right this one thing, you see. You see, you know the road code, you know what I go on. You read the play from early out. You understand? All right. That's it. Yeah.
All right.
Blessings, man. Respect and honor here.
Right.
Yo,
Okay.
we're gonna come New York one of them day, you know, so.
Yeah, man, link up, man, because I always like want to meet the TamFamers, them and all these things, all right?
Yeah, man.
All right. Where are you guys? You used to come. What
Yeah, we
state?
used to act. We're in
North
North Carolina.
North
We used to live in New York, and then we move out because New York's to get too expensive.
Get too expensive. We know the drill. We know the drill. I have some wealthy Jamaican friend, right? And they tell me that them love for move with. Anyway, it get too Jamaican, them love for move with. So apparently now North Carolina is the thing. You know which part down there, the wealthy Jamaican, which part down there North Carolina?
Charlotte. Charlotte,
It's
darling.
Charlotte.
It's either Charlotte or Raleigh, but it's Charlotte.
Oh, it's a Charlotte suburbs and thing. I this and them there. Okay, interesting.
So
Interesting.
the thing about Charlotte is it's a fintech. It's
Oh.
a growing fintech hub. So finance sector and technology.
Right.
It's booming. So you have the old money and you have the new money, and the new money is growing like weeds.
Oh, so they're doing well then.
Yes, everything
Right.
is building in terms of architecture and the roads, and everything is spreading out. So nothing is going to be country no more in the next 5 years.
Yeah, North Carolina is doing well. North Carolina is doing well.
Yeah, take a visit, man. We have one thing down here.
When I'm coming down there, I'll let you guys know. Me just shut and say, man, come down to North Carolina. Remember me talk to you and thing. You need for sure about the place, all right?
Of course,
We have a guest room already, you know.
chauffeur and everything.
All
No
right.
worry.
Blessings and respect, man. All right. Love and blessings, all right? Yeah, man. Cool. Those are our North Carolina TamFamers right there, okay? No, the word is North Carolina is booming. My Jamaican friends who are doing well. They're into North Carolina now, because their thing was they move from Florida and the Palms because the Jamaicans take over and whatever. But there are parts of Florida where well, it's just ridiculously expensive. Where Tiger Woods live on them people. This is the show where the lady call and say, should I F Marcia good as man, because she a Marcia good as and a friend. This is that show. This is that show where one lady call and say she a Marcia good as and a friend, so she would have F Marcia good as man. In a Marcia good as king size California king pan Marcia good as California king mattress. Yes, so the woman said that. People, there was a time, it's true, I come from ghetto. Anybody know Jamaica run, you did have you have these families down there, them the one them daughter talk to ghetto man, ghetto young men, And me they go through a phase, me I tell him, man. Nothing sweet me than for start out and daughter pan the parents in bed, Yeah, when the parents are done me just to get one look of satisfaction. Can go and talk.
Blessed Raga Wagwan.
Where you say cooker? And when I birthday something?
Birthday is Saturday.
Oh.
Birthday bingo party. If I give you 10 TV, 3 laptop plus every game come with cash behind the gift. You know what I'm saying? Every game.
Well on there, me call Munchie. Well on there. Let me see my call. Wait, the 1 second here.
No problem, sir.
Wait, don't move, don't move. Well on, don't move. Wait. I bet you want Christina I text her, tell her, me a call her. Don't move.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying...
I bet one of them, I want to NC them, I text her, me a call her, But our TV broke down,
Okay. So I can't come.
No, me just tell her say she can't go your party because 10 TV I give her. Because Munchie TV broke down, and whatever. So if anybody can sponsor Munchie a TV and whatever, Munchie TV broke down what day. The NC them say them not go buy her one, but me don't know what happening. It look like, me don't know. Time kind of hard, right, and thing. But me did a call her to tell her, say, Saturday the 10 TV I give her so she can go over upon the ends and see if she can. And what am I have to do for catch a TV? Eh?
Bingo. I play bingo.
Bingo.
$20 game.
Yeah, she know if
$20
play
game. That's
bingo.
it.
She know if
Food
play
free
bingo.
of course. I give her food, everything. Oxtail, curry goat, jerk pork, everything I cook and ready. You know what I'm saying?
So she can't carry her long goat go over there too, no?
Well, just come eat. And eat till it done. When it done, it done. You know what I'm saying? That's all there. Nothing about it.
But
yeah, I'm saying so.
no, when you're on my show, you have to clear with some things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You said just come eat. When you said just come eat.
Okay, we're having a dinner first. We're having a dinner from 9 to 10 o'clock. We're having a dinner and birthday party.
So come
dinner.
Eat with your knife and fork and
yes.
pepper right.
Oxtail, curry goat, jerk pork, shrimp,
right.
fried chicken, everything. You know what I'm saying?
No, because I said that because when a man like Chumpy here say, when you come eat, Chumpy, you may make a Chumpy get confused, and what things say. Wow. Yeah. So what are going to cook?
In the next couple of hours, next 3 hours, my 53-year-old
What?
So yeah, I lay down, I go and give thanks till midnight.
All
I
right.
cook some stew peas right now, a pot of stew peas and some curry chicken and now, my friend them.
Stop. Remember, you know, I can't cook and I live alone, so I don't like when I go and whatever, you know, when I
Raga,
just
you
up.
live 3 minutes from my house, Raga, okay? And dinner, food, stew peas,
Hold on.
every day
You know
for
where
my
me
game night,
hold
okay?
on. You know where me live?
No, I have an idea in the Lurton area right there, so okay? And it's only 3 minutes from where me there to where you there. I know exactly where you live. I don't know where you live.
Yeah. No call no
What
name
I'm
neither.
saying here, Raga, is that
No call no name and no place either.
okay, I cater, I cook. I have a game night that I run down at my house in the basement. We run food every night.
Okay.
Dinner, everything. And stew peas on the fire right now. We'll be finishing next half an hour. Curry chicken ready already. So we're having a little cut of cake tonight.
Hold
Me at
on.
midnight.
Are you into that Jamaicans? Well, I don't know if uptown Jamaicans stay so, you know, because people, anytime you hear me talk about something, I say Jamaican, 9 times out of 10 is just like where me cook and where no found no come from. I really know their own uptown people that much for know. Because they have a whole different culture down there, Jamaica, you know, believe it or not. But Jamaicans are really into this thing about you must be doing something, make your birthday catch you or New Year catch you or do certain things or whatever. So,
Not necessarily.
are you
Not
like,
necessarily for me.
boy, Dos
No.
Santos, I said, be a galaxy, you know, people must bad mind me tonight. People must bad mind me tonight, all right? But anyway, what you say not what, you not stay so?
No, I'm not stay, sir, Raga.
But you know, that is a thing amongst Jamaican, like, if you do start at a certain time for them birthday, catch them and do
Yes,
something.
I know that. But because I do a social gathering of we're playing games by me
Yeah.
almost every night.
Yeah.
And tomorrow is my birthday directly, and the kids are here, and tomorrow the kids them do that. You understand? All day.
Right.
So tonight now, I buy a cake, red velvet cake. I want a big pot of soup is ready already, and the curry chicken at bubble right now. And by midnight, the cake cut, and then eat all night and play some games and got them yard. You understand? And now it's in the morning, 10 o'clock.
Nice.
So I just come in there every night. For the past 6 years I've been doing this Raga. Me cater and I used to keep dance and the dance thing get messed up. Some of us find a way of it, come out at night time and have fun. You know what I'm saying? Where nobody nah ball and cuss and fight. I mean, woman mount meat down there, no, not like here. Mount meat down there, you know what I'm saying?
Mount what?
Woman. Meat.
Cuss.
Yeah, woman cuss, yeah?
For you,
Just ignore it.
for you non-Jamaicans, when you are Jamaican, say mount meat is nothing literal. It literal. It's nothing literal like mount meat. It literally mean cursing. When you are Jamaican, say, hey, I don't wanna, I'm go down this amount of meat, mount and
but
thing.
anybody or DM me see the address, just check my page, Andre OK Production. You're gonna see the flyer for the party.
Yeah.
The address is right there, and we're there almost every evening. The phone number is also there. You can just call me. I answer every call because I'm a businessman, you know what I'm saying?
Right. And then about like if you no want to go and, you know, take shame out on the eye and whatever. Cooker. I mean, you have some people that go feel funny or whatever. I just want you specifically tell Sinalicious that she can't come. Just tell her.
Sinalicious, you are invited personally, okay? By me, okay? My birthday bingo party.
Right. Would you be offended if she takes some of my food when she leave?
Raga.
No, I'm just asking.
What? After everybody eats.
Yeah.
We always put what everything is, you know, everybody get to go plate, okay?
So she can take a little something for go.
Everybody have to eat first, yes. You cannot eat and then come back after you want to. You understand?
No, but you know, we just want to clear the way for her because as a hungry belly girl and thing, nothing to go and fear. So we don't want she feel shame for go over there.
I rock up good food because we're cooking good food. I'm the greatest chef in New York. All of New York know that. Connecticut know that. AOK catering them know me.
All right.
But anyway, Raga, since some birthday thing gone and this Saturday birthday party, all right, don't need that, Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, that you don't call you a while, Raga. See? Please to explain to him as an elder, say, him have a lot more of that to go through in his lifetime as a man. Okay?
In what say what you mean? Say him not go
woman taking try to take him a clown or clown him.
Why you think he has a lot more to go through? Why you think he
Raga, which man Raga not go through that Raga?
No, but why you think he has a lot more to go through with that?
Raga, him young. Him just a post this little world, Raga, with woman thing, Raga.
Well, me agree with you if you say him. Because if I saw you stay now, woman,
you go.
And even when him talk and whatever, because I can't see them predator woman, they say, him sound like, boom, bam, bam.
Here you go, Raga. Raga.
In that sense, I agree with you. But,
you,
go on.
as a Dan, Raga, me, as a, none sense, none no morals, them take the fool same way. So why? Why not him?
No, you're right. Because woman still come at me with certain.
Hey, there you go.
You know what I find interesting? A woman, it's one of the weirdest thing with women, but it's not just a woman thing. But just because, But you ever notice that people will rate you for something, right? And they're actually attracted to you or drawn to you for something. And then still end up relate to you as if say them forget you that them get drawn to you for. Like that don't make no sense to me.
No sense at all.
Right? Me can't understand when woman say, boy, easy, that's why I like you, boy, nobody can get by you with nothing, You this and you that, boy. You have so much experience with woman, we say that to you,
Let me give you
and the same woman that will come and tell you and broke your foot,
Let me give you a simple scenario. I booked a sister a couple years ago. And from Boca Raga, nice looking girl, younger girl than me, about 10 years younger than me. She was 43, 42, me 52.
Yeah.
Nice. Look good, dress good.
Yeah.
And Raga meet her and start talk to her. Raga, every day that girl attacks me. Yes, me see her so. She call me, bring this, come give me. She want a $50, she want a $100. And me start, Raga, because of her behavior, me get rowdy upon her because I say, yo, I eat that girl, you see what I'm saying? And me start style her. Seeing? I style her. And if somebody could style me, I start style sister Raga. Seeing? But when I go to woman go the Raga, the thing good, Raga, you know what I'm saying? The thing turn up, Raga, I want some blouse and skirt. So, me I hang on, but me don't really want to hang on because I say that every time the girl come away. See? So one day I go to boom, Raga, and run a rut. I run a rut, Raga. And as I talk, when I talk to she, I'm not say she not forgive me because she always come from me. And I talk and I say, yo, Ray, no, Zane. Some want the vehicle transmission gone to box and I go buy her. I spend 3 tours by the transmission, Zane. I can't buy a vehicle, you know what I'm saying? I say, what can we buy? I say, well, a BMW drive. BMW drive, want another BMW.
Oh, you said that to her?
Yeah, I'm saying. She said so much feet. I say, well, I now finance the car, so I'm just going to buy a certified used car for about $17,000, $18,000. She said, much I said, no, I'm working now.
Yeah.
And Raga, so the woman say, all right, make it $20,000.
Oh,
and Raga,
which one?
The same one that beg me every day, beg me 100 every day. The same one that beg me 100 every day, Raga. I swear to you. I look at the man good when I say, yo, you play too much. She said she's not playing. I'm a people from her house this next morning and she give me $20,000 for buy the car.
Watch it, you just never know. You never know.
That Raga, there you freaking go.
You just
and
never
Raga,
know.
she wasn't the one me working 10 cents from.
You see it. You see it. Well, I'm just there's something my son come up in the night, so I just
okay, go on there texting you.
Yeah.
Then Chumpy, when I go? Why Chumpy allow me?
No man, that's a Chumpy stay, hey, sometimes the one Chumpy a post like say him alone for be star boy over here, You ever pick up that from him? Yeah? You ever pick up that from him? When Chumpy tell him story, him get to tell him story when him run film thing.
I want to talk your
but
story.
When somebody else talk, when the one Chumpy just want beat other people, Chumpy for go man. Hello, man making talk, man. True, you never get a 20 pack for go buy car yet.
You said 2 blows and skirt. Mr. Raga, my youth a go up Raga, seeing that Jamaica sufferation beat me bad.
Yeah.
Hungry beat me bad. I sell back my pick Aki and sell Aki back then time. Them about 19, I got 20.
Yeah.
December come to backside, like a road work run on the road, because now them get like a road work whitewash the roadside and sweep at the road. Get a little chum change,
Yeah.
About 2 grand and pocket to Bombard's. I said, boy, Christmas Eve, I go look at shoes uptown, now go downtown.
Yeah.
Then,
Yeah.
and then the store named Sammy's. I know my store named Sammy, they were right on the corner. We're next to our RGR, so on the corner.
Yeah, man.
See, Sammy.
Mm-hmm.
Right, I have about 2 grand 300. My sister give me 200. I have 2 grand. I have 100. I may sell some Aki the day. I have brought him 2,300. I take my bus car over 3. I want the shoes. I'm there. And got something I see. I brought him something looking like a wallaby in the glass case.
Yeah.
I go in there, look on the shoes. Shoes are for about $4,000 at the blood climbers, rather.
Mm-hmm.
At the blood climbers. Go to the blood class store, and this dude there watch me. But I know this dude that watch me.
Was it Chumpy? It was Chumpy?
Could be, could be. I don't know. Chumpy look like him, so could be him. See? So Chumpy goes up now to backside and go in the store now at the glass case. And I point to me now, because I'm going to see him. I say, the shoes here. I say, yeah. See, I'm come out of the store now. I say, what happened? I'm going to say, the shoes. Then I'm going to say, yo, I say, 4-3 feet, you know. I'm going to say, I'm not so much money. I say, what you have? I say, boy, I 2-3, I have, you know. I say, blood clean. That mark and say, can't make it up. I say, no, I can't make it up. Man, go back to the store to blood test and go to the cashier. And I talk to the cashier and I pay for the shoes to blood test. I talk to the cashier. Come back out and say, yo, anything is coming from that. I say, yo, nothing I not have. I just bust for him, I have to go back home. Man, go back in and talk to the cashier again to blood test, brother. And come back out and say, all right. She said, give me. She will take it. Raga, I like I eat that to blood test. Get Chumpy my blood test $2,300, Raga.
Never say that again on our shoes here. Chumpy gone with the money though. We want Chumpy a wicked.
Big Christmas.
When Chumpy says she will take it, do you go get Chumpy your money though? And Chumpy just cut and broke your foot down.
I got big Christmas records. I sleep at my way, so flip flop my way to Bombard as well Christmas. I go through.
Yeah, boy. Anyway, I'm going to try pass through up I think this Saturday. Yeah, that's our word.
All right.
Cool.
Manners, I respect everybody, okay?
Yeah, but Zion, me have to pass through with me, you know, yeah?
That's what I said, man. Everything there, man.
All right. That's our word, man. Cool. Dos Santos. Hold on there. People, you hear me? Hear what I go on right now. I don't even have beach around the bush, you know. Hold on. What this thing, man? What? Dos Santos, me forward, me bring you up for your talk for 3 minutes. If you talk, you talk, you know much galaxy you get since night and whatever. And who no want hear your talk, make them key out because some of them never ever contribute a little brown money rose, not even a 1 cent rose. And you know much galaxy you get since night. Me soon forward here, Dos Santos. Now worry yourself, right? Cause you say you need something to say something really quick. About 10. Well, about 10 million. What is it today? Okay, see. People, 1 second, you know, who want Vex. Wait there. Oh, this thing, man. God. This can't come on. All right, then. Give me a second, I'm soon forward.
We are gonna hold them, control them, hold. Anyone we see the pussy, hold them. Hot puss passy make a hear you. Hot puss passy make a hear you. We are the puss catcher, they on patrol. Now bet and powder, no puss we hold. We don't line them up and they be in a me sight. No puss we hold, can't get away tonight. Now bet and powder, no puss we hold. Bad man no afraid, no puss we hold. We not take no time from, no puss we hold. We not skylark with, no puss we hold. I couldn't walk on or invade them. Right now, we not see no puss we afraid of. Them coulda decent or old nigga. Bad man track them down like radar. Puss on the left, puss on the right. Puss in the dark, puss in the light. Surrender now, it don't make sense you fight. Things are go on when I hold you tonight. Cause we are the puss catcher, dep on patrol. Now pet and powder, no puss we hold. We can line them up, them in our sight. No puss we hold, can't get wet tonight. Now pet and powder, no puss we hold. Hold dog, no freeder, no puss we hold. We not skylark with no puss we hold. Now take no talk from no puss we hold. Now we go to the east, link up the east. Loud puss posse, them a disturb the peace. Riding west, we are the guests. Hot puss posse, them say them are the best. We're up north, you know puss no shot. Hot puss posse, them dep on the chart. We're down south, you see them bust out. Big puss posse, them a roam all about. Well, we are go hold them, control them, boy. Anywhere we see the puss, we hold them. We are go hold them, control them, boy. Anywhere we see the puss, we hold them. Hot puss posse make a hear ya. Hot puss posse make a hear ya. Fat puss posse make a hear ya. Big puss posse make a well me say. Puss catcher, dep on patrol. Now pet and powder, no puss we hold. We don't line them up, them in our sight. No puss we hold, can't get wet tonight. Now pet and powder, no puss we hold. Bad man no freeder, no puss we hold. We not skylark with no puss we hold. Now take no talk from no puss we hold. I coulda local or invader. Right now we not see no puss we freeder. Them coulda decent or roll nigga. Bad man track them down like reader. Push on the left, push on the right. Push in the dark, push in the light. Surrender now, no make sense you fight. Things are go on when I hold it tonight. Cause we are the puss catcher, dep on patrol. Now pet and powder, no puss we hold. We don't line them up, them in our sight. No puss we hold, can't test we tonight. Now pet and powder, no puss we hold. Hold dog, no freeder, no puss we hold. We not skylark with no puss we hold. Bad man, no freeder, no puss we hold. Now we go to the east, we link up the east. Loud puss posse, them a disturb the peace. Riding west, we are the guests. Fat puss posse, are the guests.
Only Raga can do this besides a mega celebrity. 500. Oh, stand by. Okay. Nah, man. Nah. Starboy, what you did there? Me ratted. Starboy, big up yourself, man. Well on there. You can go and say what you want to say, Dos Santos, say man 2 more minutes to say something really quick. Me I give the man him 2 minutes. About say 20 Galaxy the man must have sent up already. Me don't know how much that, but from me here, Galaxy over here is like a thing.
Alright, Mastraga.
What you say you need to say something quick, though, yeah?
Alright, Mastraga. Alright, just 3 minutes, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so first and foremost, I feel like I came into your life and I gave a story.
Yeah.
And people basically rushed me through a thing and I forgot one detail. And the thing is, when you experience something, I feel like there's a period of time where you need to reflect on the thing that happened, right?
Right.
Okay, so I didn't really give the reflection. All right, watch my father over there. You see Nigel? This is Scatter right there. This is the father. That's the one that raised me, all right?
Mm-hmm.
So listen. So basically, imagine all of this happened.
Wait, who is Nigel?
Nigel is Scatter Shot. They call him Scatter Shot because of a girlfriend he used to have in the day. That's Scatter. That's
okay.
my father, Nigel.
Are your father?
Yes. Yeah, exactly. That is my father, yes.
Nigel, that in the chat, are your father?
Yes, yeah, of course. Yeah, man.
Big up your father, man. Big up Nigel,
man.
Yeah,
man.
So go and talk.
No, as I was saying. So listen, all right, so everybody already knows the story, right?
Yeah.
But imagine, all right, so all of this happened, and basically, let me finish the story, which is the piece. I wanted to give everybody the piece, which is, it's only a 1 minute piece, right? Listen.
1 minute, yeah.
The girl basically expected from me to pay for her ticket, the girl ticket, and then the same uncle wanted me to basically pay for the woman's ticket, his woman's, to basically secure pum pum for him for later. So I said, all right, I'm not going to do that. And I brought my niece instead.
What? Wait, something. No.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, one night, that come in a while ago, yeah.
Okay, so I said, okay, so well, I'm not going to secure pum pum for you in the future. Sorry, I can't use that word.
No, you can't use pum
PU
pum
and
over
BU.
here. You can't
Okay,
use it.
all right, no problem. All right, no
We
problem.
avoid the PUSSY one, but the pum
Okay,
pum.
no, I
So
would never. All right, cool. So, no,
the
no,
girl,
no, no, but
hold on. Five fish did want you for buy VR ticket, right? If you
yeah.
buy five.
I love how you call her five fish.
No, hold on. I say did for buy 5 fish ticket. If you buy picnic 18 ticket, and then your uncle did want you. I tell you, say you for buy the one from Trinity.
The friend.
The
The
friend.
friend.
The
Exactly.
friend from
Exactly.
Trinity ticket.
Exactly.
I tell you, say the uncle are clone you out the whole time, though.
Understood. And
Yeah.
and the thing is, my father is in the same chat. Yo, daddy, comment and tell me you understand. But daddy understands. All right, listen. So listen. All right. So don't talk. So no problem. My point is, she wanted me to basically take her and them up to Kingston, basically pay for all the liquor, pay for all the food. Everybody belly is full, and then you get into a taxi with your friend, go back to Linstead, and then me, I'm left in the hotel room that my auntie said, okay, me and you are good.
Listen
And
to
where
me.
it's just
Well,
me and you. No.
Okay,
No.
No, man. Listen to me.
Raga, but I have to finish.
Well,
Okay, all right, Raga.
Yeah, what me I say. We hear the play, man. But you say the next time something like that happen, you have to just gangster up on them and just calm and say, well, me love how you straight up, you know. You just say what you want. Me like that, you know. Here what I go on. This is since you straight up right now. Me want to look a pum pum. You have it in you for do that?
Of course.
You sure?
How come you look for me like that?
Just know, say, anyway, she not like she gonna say no, you know, but that is the point. Say no and go about it. Wait, who that there around you? Who that then you?
No, nobody.
No, man, me hear one woman voice. Don't go around me, man. Who that?
No, stop it. No, Raga, stop it.
Me hear one woman voice. How you do? I tell me, say, me not hear the woman voice.
Raga, mind your business, please. As I said, all right. So listen, I understand your comments. I understand everything. But all I have to say is, the last thing I have to say is, listen, I'm from Jamaica. I came from Jamaica, 7 years old. Then I came up to Stamford, Connecticut. My father lived in Chicago. And if there's anybody in this chat that is ever in Chicago that wants a genuine Jamaican breakfast, I just had kidney, Aki and chicken butt. 639 East 89th Street. All right.
No, wait. What you say about kidney? Aki and chicken.
So as I said, my father runs a catering company in Chicago. And just because I don't want to give free promotion on your live, I will send another galaxy. All right.
Yeah.
So listen, my father's Nigel Williams, scatter shot. Rayan, 639 East 89th Street in Chicago. Any Saturday, you can always go to him to get any Jamaican breakfast. Aki and chicken box, kidney, yam, banana, and the same for the
When me I jump in, don't tell me no. Don't tell me no.
Sorry.
So you what me I say? Where your father restaurant name?
Scatter Yard Kitchen. It's a cloud restaurant out of his house in Chicago.
Scatter Yard Kitchen. And what the address?
Scatter Yard Kitchen.
What the address again?
So the address is 639 East 89th Street, Chicago, Illinois.
All right,
and
then.
See, Racy can vouch for him because Racy saw the jerk chicken and everything on the grill.
All right, then. All right. Now, say a word, man. The people them here and
yeah,
think.
man.
See, all when I'm a bridge in there, long time TamFam Ernie come in and say, you know the year and things. So big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Ernie a long time TamFam, man.
That's my
Ernie
father
said,
and he's doing his thing.
Well, Early State must see that down on the south side. I don't know side there. Yeah, them say Ernie at the south side it there, yeah.
South side, yeah, man.
Big up yourself. See your father, big up your father, some more blessings. I love that.
Yeah,
look out for your father. I love that.
Of course, always.
Give thanks. Yeah.
Yo, listen, as long as I live, the last thing I'll say, as long as I live, his blood runs through me. And I love him to the end of the days. He doesn't know it too well because I always ignore the video calls, but no problem. Daddy, always send me a voice message. All right, let's go more. All right.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, man. Cool. I love how him rate him father, and I love that, because sometimes we think it's just automatic and natural for people, men talk about that, about their mother and thing, but when you look at Jamaica and something there, some people, why, if you say you love your father as a man or whatever and thing like, hey, me know enough Jamaican man stay so, Yo, me know enough Jamaican man, them no want both them pitting for, well, it kind of change now. Them kind of get sensible now. But me know, when me I grew up, me know, but them no want about, them not tell them pitting about no love, that no sound right. That no sound right, and this and that and whatever. Me no want to pitting come to me. Hey, you have Jamaican father, them don't even know hugging thing. No hugging thing around here. Them find that very suspicious and whatever. Me I tell you, say, you have the puss catcher, they pan patrol, nah pet and powder, no puss we wall. Open up someone, know what the song them I say. And then.
Mother close, Raga.
What, my friend?
Me there, man, me there.
See?
Raga, you know, say more time me think and me feel say me imagination run very wild sometimes. Sometimes you see me think say the world you should not have no America, no St. Thomas, no Canada, no places. The world is just like Red Hills alone. Everybody live at Red Hills. Everybody know everybody.
Up at your part
Understand?
there, yeah.
Yeah. We know the type of people them, the little wretch them, the dolly them who go on like them, all that and them frownsy,
Mm-hmm.
the fluffy them who go on like them, all that and man just use them, all these things. You understand what me I say, Raga?
Mm-hmm.
I saw me did want the world to set up, for we know who is who. Because you have some people going like them all that. And them is nobody Raga to them pretty. And they might can change them ear every week. And nails and you know what? Name brand this and name brand that. And them is nobody. Raga saying this to say that.
Mm-hmm.
Remember one night, just about 2 months ago, you said, ladies, may I ask you a question and I want to tell me the truth.
Mm-hmm.
If your man in a prison, your good man will take care of you and all these things, you know, the man dead for you, real man. Me not no fuckery man.
Yeah.
Real man.
Yeah.
And in that prison, he might go get sentenced. And one policeman can get him out tomorrow. But the police say, me, the woman, have to sort him out first.
Yeah.
Him come out tomorrow because he might go get sentenced, but if you sort out the police, me sort out the policeman. When me say you, Raga,
we understand. Yeah, me did ask a question. Yeah.
Sort out the policeman and him come out tomorrow. Right? And he not the chat here, not me. And enough of them, Raga. That's why me say me did want the world for just coming like ready. Enough of them. I grind pan them man for free. I give them man bun. And the one little thing them for do for them good man. Them can't do it just to get him from behind bars. And me come up. And me say, me would do it. You understand me?
Right.
Pass a good man and them something.
Right.
You flip the script on me again and you say, Elaine, me no want you feel no way. No, me know say your son pass and everything. But if a snake sting your son and him a got dead and the doctor say all what you have to do is just suck him, whatever.
No, but the snake bite. Right.
See that something there.
Yeah.
Come out of him. For him leave. If you would do it, I miss Me say, yes, Raga. Me would do it. Raga is not a sexual thing, me
Of
and my
course
son.
it's not.
You know.
Of course it's not.
I just see make him
Live.
survive.
Right,
Live
right,
then.
right.
So me would do it. And me have him, so me would do it.
Right.
Before me I walk around and do dictam and Harry, why me couldn't save my son? Alright.
Right.
Say that, you flip the script again for me. And you say, Ilian,
These are different times, right?
the same night.
Oh,
the
okay,
same
okay,
night. You
okay.
flip the member, man. Member, you remember.
Yeah.
You flip the script for me again. And you say, Ilian, me know you rate me. That are you, Raga. Me know you rate me, man. You rate me. If me and you did involve and me that prison and a police woman say, me, Ilian, if you swipe her, for you come out. If me would do it. So me say, no, me not swipe. No, girl, you have to stay in that.
All right, yeah.
You
Yeah.
have to stay in that.
Yeah.
And me turn to you say, no for you. Text them, what they pandy, what text, this and a text at them a liar raga. If you know enough of them real story, me no sugarcoat nothing when me come over here. Anything me say me woulda do or me not do, that me say. You understand what me I say, Raga? Where the tape there?
What you mean for the show?
Yes.
Nah, me no, Ilian, my days are crazy, you know. I know me not get for do it. You know, see what time I all start to show them now, you know.
Me know I say late, but I
Eh.
search feet till a week today.
You, Ilian, you take this serious, no?
Because you have some jelly back in your comment section. Them lie, Raga. Them lie. And you see Marcia Goodas coming like a hog. Hog see the way behind. You know, she say hog see the way behind the hog. A some Marcia coming like.
hog see the way behind her.
Yes,
And she coming like the hog seed?
hog seed. The
Wow.
hog see the way behind the hog.
That not sound good at all. That's not even like a good image, you know.
You understand what me
So the seed the behind the hog bottom.
We are behind. And that are the last thing pan the hog, the seed, the big old seed.
So the bottom come before the seed?
Lord Jesus, Raga. Go look pan a hog picture when you come off and
me never really look for them, so pay attention to them things.
We are behind the hog seed because she go comment Monday night and say, Elaine, you did. Yeah. And then last night, now, up in my face, she say, you say so. People beware of Marcia good as she a mix up and she a liar. She lie. Beware of her. And no matter how she come in at the box and people are all a nice vibe, she come with her coronation mark itself.
Oh.
Marcia, the sour power. You feel
But what Ilian, you sound serious-ish, man.
She me at far. Me not serious in nobody else.
Me know, but what me I say, some other people did say you say it too. And
me
and,
know,
yeah.
but she me at far.
Why you at fishy? Why you at fishy?
Because you know why? She come up in my face last night and I say me say so. And I shout. And them something there I got.
Oh, so she did sound particularly different from the other people.
Yes, she not just come and say, Elaine, you say that. And I eat that.
And it sounds to me like it's like your spirit, you follow your spirit, but something with she in particular too.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I mean, you follow your spirit, yeah. But, okay.
Me not take it serious, Raga, because me know me never say so. Everything what me say Monday night about Zion tree and me not take it back in loot. Yeah, I'm good in my practice. Me not take it back.
Right,
It look good.
right. Yeah, in the end, she not take it back. You say him look
Nah,
good
take it
and
back.
whatever.
It look
Yeah,
good.
and you hold where
And
you
me,
hold.
yeah,
Oh.
me run for rum cream and me chip up ice, dash in a cup and use straw, spin it round and suck out my rum cream. I mix up on the
Okay, all right, yeah.
Me not follow hot and spicy because hot and spicy, anytime she not take her Bellevue pill, so she behave.
Then me come here today and talk things about you when me talk with Gussa, but me I talk when I Gussa, so you know come for me.
Raga, me know all you stay. You're not liar. You're not a liar. You just talk things when I go so.
Yeah, for
You're not a
entertainment.
liar.
No.
Yes, you're not a liar.
Yeah, but it's like I feel something from Marcia, you know, say.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes. She are the only girl on the apps, Raga. Where me know say she no ramp with her mouth, me love. She a carry go bring. Hey, Raga.
Eh?
You see when me I say dirty Valerie, you think no dirty Valerie there? And Marcia have two phone, Raga, and she have fake page, and she call her name for one of the phone Valerie, just to make it no look bad. As she a dirty Valerie, no other dirty Valerie no there.
Well on. When Valerie come over here and did that go on, that you think said that was Marcia?
Me know I said that was Marcia.
No,
Don't say me
but what
do.
you saying? What the evidence? What you said? What's the evidence?
He have two phone.
Uh-huh.
One a fake page where she comment shit more times. Say you sure. You think she nice, Raga? Say you sure no look no sound good or it boring and then something there and she give her name Valerie. She a dirty Valerie. Me pick up that long time. So when you hear me, I say dirty Valerie, and I'm not real Valerie. A Marcia good as a Valerie.
No, but what I'm saying, you basically tell me what you think, you know, but you still not give me no evidence or receipt for say this is the reason why it's her.
What kind of receipt me figure you know? Give me an example.
What I'm saying, you say you're sure. So I'm saying,
she.
No. So this is what you think then, right?
She a dirty Valerie.
No, may I ask you a question? So this is what you think.
That is what I think.
Okay, we just want to be clear on that.
Yes, because enough people come with fake page.
But make me curious though, because you sound like you feel something about Marcia will just make you uncomfortable and you know?
Every time, Raga, trust me, when Antasha and the rest of NC them go on pan me and so trust me, Raga, me no feel no way, me no feel no bad. All if them come on and say me and them grow together and a beer wash me, used to wash me foot and them something and class me the most way, me no feel no way. Choo.
Okay. Well, for the record, I'm going to make sure that I don't, joke with the two, I want to, like, for pitting against each other, whatever, because...
Disgusting, Raga. She's very disgusting. Choo. No matter how the show going well and from she touching at the back, she start going like she da coronation market. She vulgar.
But I just for the record, though, I'm not attack you or anything. I just want to clear the ear about certain things. From my standpoint, I have not seen, even in the slightest,
any evidence that Marcia would she have something against me where she would get another phone and come here, come talk bad things about me.
People
As
do
a fake proof.
anything, Raga.
No. You see, no, hold on. I hear what you're saying. I'm just me I tell you with me, right? Say you say what you say, and you ain't entitled to say what you say. You're a grown woman. I'm just saying on my side, I've never had any reason to think that Marcia would have any reason to go to her way and do that childish high school thing. They get one phone and then come in on the show and attack bad things about me and attack the show. What I my interaction. Nobody not perfect. Me not perfect. Me I got no qualities when nobody not like people not like to and all them something there. But I'm just saying all my interaction with her, I've never gotten that from her. Me just I'm just being fair, I'm just I make you know that I'm being fair. So for the record, that's for me there,
Let me tell you something, you see, Raga? You see the way I me behave over the internet, and so me behave in a real life, right? And you have some people just through your Ragashanti, them come on and then twinky twanky in front of you. And even if you know them in a person, then come on and go and like them nice, but behind scene them is a wretch.
Well, no. I've gone through a lot of that with people over here when me doing show. A lot of that. People laugh and chat when me come on the show and whatever, and behind them beat me and thing and whatever and talk all kind. Oh God. A lot of people over here know a whole heap of people used to do that to me and whatever. I mean, I cut off some of them and enough of them and thing, but yeah, so that is true.
Raga, no matter how you deal with people, you will take out your heart and give to some people and what then crush it. Them crush it.
Yeah. But I'm saying that I've never gotten any reason, even an inkling, even in the slightest, to think that Marcia is one of those people.
Well, I don't me see.
Okay.
I'm a spiritual lady.
All right, then, cool.
Okay. They up all of the TamFam. And at and spicy, go and go take your medication, because you sick. Yeah, Taraga, big up big beer and each and everyone.
Yeah, but for the record, what and Spicy say, you too maga for Zion train him now and look maga whole foot and thing.
Oh, she know that. Oh, she know that, and I see she never hear Zion train talk yet. I wish night she see face alone.
Oh God, yeah, me can't say that to her.
At and spicy now, no Wi-Fi now, you know, she say na people house at and spicy go. She can walk up and
Mixup and Blenda time.
Oh God, and my phone not drop signal.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
You know, people house at and spicy go fi talk to you. Although she go in the man house, the Wi-Fi still pop down.
Like your Wi-Fi not like her. The Wi-Fi spirit not take her, you know.
Exactly.
All right, Ilian. All right. Blessings here.
Aye, cool, Raga.
Yeah, Into Maya, come into Maya, Jesus, come in today, come in, I pray, come in to Maya, Lord Jesus. Ayada voodoo boom, babado bam, 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 boom, 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 boom.
Raga.
Marcia Waga.
Raga.
Mm-hmm.
You probably got here because me I work me there. But you know, say, I know me can't believe when me just hear.
What, that it's that serious?
Yeah, I thought we was just joking over here.
Right.
You know, I swear to God, Raga, I never one day I didn't think it was that serious because you know me like Alien. I do. I never realized that this girl have something against me. I thought she was just playing all this. You know, see me in the chat and everybody in the chat is so surprised. I thought she was joking all this time.
Mm-hmm.
But apparently she is not. So I just came to say one thing. Since me realize now, say, cause me in the chat and I swear to God, brother, me literally I wait for aliens to joke share me. It's not that serious.
Mm-hmm.
It's really not that serious. And the thing is, when I put two and two together now, and me I realize because look how Hot and Spicy come and done her last night, and she come up and she don't say nothing. And rather, I was not the only person in the chat who was saying she said what she said. People come up, and she has said me come up and I shout. But even before I came up in the box, Gillian did have done me, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's why you invite me to come up. Even when before me come up in the box, she had done me and I say, Marcia good as a liar, and she a liar before me even come up in the box. And rather me they are laughing because you know me always I put the laughing emoji. I laugh and me are dead.
Mm-hmm.
Because I just thought I did not really realize it was that serious. So if that be the case, then I would never joke with her.
But that is why I said to her, like, I mean, one, I just make sure you know that you have never given me any reason for me things or whatever. And you know me a drunk and dog. So if anything me I tell you, me I say, oh, man, I like that, you know. Boom, boom, boom.
Rather,
But
this is true.
hold on. But at the same time,
Mhm.
you know, me never get that from you, but me have to respect what she feel. You understand?
Mhm. Understand?
And then that's why I said to her, I said, no, that me understand how you feel. Me not go joke with your name with her and thing, you know. And so forth, you know.
Yeah, and the thing is, tell her, just let her know, do not ever come on this app and call my name again if that's the way she feel about me because I can't believe it's this serious. Me thinks that thick skin and broad back did I do it over here.
Okay.
That's what I thought. You understand what I say, Raga? So if that be the case, she will never hear me say anything because ask them when Ilian in the box of chat, me I dead with laughing all the time because all this time I thought she was joking. And honestly, I sat here tonight and I was literally waiting for her to say, I don't me I make rather, I just threw me always a beat her. You understand what I say? I didn't know it was that serious. I swear to God, I was waiting for her to say it was a joke, and she did. So, with that being said, Elaine, please do not ever come back over here and call my name, and you will never hear my name out your mouth.
Well, I think what you're saying is, you know, she's a grown woman, so there's ways in which she could call your name or something, and you can't stop her. Just like
That is right, but
just like how if certain thing come up on you, obviously she can't stop you either. But
I would
but
like you to just check
hold on,
her.
no. But what I'm hearing from you, if I were to paraphrase what you say, you're saying, give it a you know where she is because you didn't know that she was there. You're saying
Yeah,
that you think the best thing now is for both of you to avoid each
to
other.
just leave it alone.
Right,
Yes.
avoid it. And that I can concur with. Yeah.
That's a request. Yeah, just leave it alone because I'm just gonna wait. Cause maybe she'll come back tomorrow night and say a joke because me still can't believe say that serious.
She's serious. She's serious.
It sound like she's serious because Raga, me don't know this young lady for nothing. It sound like me name her Mama White Fowl or something. Me not know her from the way. We just know each other on the app and people say things. Me say things, she say things. People beat her, she beat me, people beat me. Me get all beaten over here. And believe me, I don't have no kind of nothing in my heart against nobody over here. And I just tonight, this coming like this, she just mess up everything because for me, I just feel like everybody in the chat surprised because nobody not think this is so. Rather, I am shook it.
I'm not gonna say she mess up everything. I'm not gonna say Elaine mess up
No,
everything.
I'm not
No,
saying everything. I'm just saying she just mess up some people meds. You understand?
No. There's a tension here now, and yeah, there is a tension here now that is generally not between TamFamers, you know. Generally,
Exactly.
there is a tension here, but at the same time too, like I say, you know, I felt I think it was important. You did that people when you chat to me. Eh?
Hold on.
Okay.
You okay? You going to bed? Do you need me? Call me. I'm right here. I'm coming. No, me flush it toilet because I don't want to hear me chat.
Oh, okay. Can you depend on work?
Yeah, man, all right. Me there. That's why me say make no hurry and call you real quick. Because rather than I tell you the honest to goodness truth. This shook me. Me I tell you the God truth. This shook me to the core. Because me think the whole of we was one over here. That's what I thought. And rather anybody will know me. You don't know, but you will soon find out. The people that will know me, them can't tell. You can't ask anybody will know me about me. Right? I think she read me wrong, which is fine. You have a right to your own opinion. You understand?
Is this unusual for you to be, but based on what I'm hearing from you, is this unusual for you to be misinterpreted the way that she?
Absolutely. Me never have nobody who say them spirit not take me like that. Because everywhere me go, rather, if you notice, I'm made the life of the party any which part me go. And everywhere me go, people is always be like, oh my God, like you just so friendly, a puppy or something. You understand? I never had issues with nobody with that. But me, all this time I thought Elaine was joking.
Okay.
But anyways, me not gonna really make that not gonna make me lose no night sleep and it not gonna make me stop eat because I love Nyam. So that me not miss a meal over that. But I'm just saying, since that's how she feel, then just lay off of me name.
All right. Cool.
I mean, know she hear me. So she can come back tomorrow night and come try beat me again. And if she come back, me I go fix him.
Hold on. You remember what you just said? So you see
No, I'm just saying.
I know, but if we're going to do this, you see what you just said, the tone and whatever, it invite the same energy, and I saw them think that continue. So if y'all gonna do this, we're
let's
avoid
just
each
done it
other.
tonight.
So if she
Let's
go
cut
say
it out tonight. Let's cut
say
it.
so and so, me I go check her too. So if you say something, I think it's likely to trigger her, me I go say it to you too. So if we not avoid
That's
each other,
fine.
let's avoid each other, and that's it.
That is it.
Right.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Cool.
That's it. I'm good.
You see it.
Yeah.
Somebody,
So anyway, we're going.
somebody say, you make England lose a match. It look like, oh that drop in, I don't know. Oh that drop in. I don't know if I you or I could have mean them at all. I don't know. I them a throw would pan somebody in a chat because I remember more while I on different show I go on in a chat, man. All right.
Yeah. But that's why you're gonna everybody are gonna like you. And guess what?
That's true. No, not only that. Not only that. I mean, it's a laugh, learn and grow, Right? I mean, I tell you so. Up to about 2-3 years ago, boy, I go through some growth and realize, like me couldn't understand. Like you have people who come around you and ingratiate themselves with you. Like me never call them, and them come, right? And when them come, them go out of them way to ingratiate themselves with me. And when them do that, them rate me. And then after that, those same people end up say the worst thing about me and whatever. And then you get in a position where you're like, yo, I can't understand if somebody who me don't know them and I'm in a business where people form. The people say the worst about Barack Obama and the Pope and what. Who is me? So I understand that, right? So, but even at my stage, there was people who me rate and thing, and it take me a while to adjust to. And say, the funny thing, you have people around me, who see clearly what them did I do, me never see it, You understand? Say, and then people are into me, and I say, Raga, so on, 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 so on. I mean, it's from me, you're good. Me don't want nobody go leave and say, me did a chat bad about somebody who me say me and them. So me love to jump out and defend my But learn my lesson with that. Right? And the people them who turn out that way there. And the very same people and other people around me did basically say, them kind of hint, like, say you need to be careful sometime, them say, you avail yourself to everybody. You're too trusting, you believe, and them they kind of, I always I shut them down and I say, no, me and them good man. They learn my lesson. That's the truth. There are times different energies come around you and it's just life, you just everybody not gonna like you. Everybody not gonna like you. You understand, man?
And you're not gonna like everybody.
Me not like everybody.
Exactly.
But me different though, If me not like you, me not go around you,
So me stay too.
If me not like you, me not go around you, whatever.
But
what I say all me too. You know how much people me and them not get along and me rate them for certain things.
That is it.
Yes, man. I want the best for them too. And it's not, weirdly enough, when me stay with them, something that when me stay, so it's not even about them. Me rate them, But I would feel so disappointed in myself too. I just think it is just like a low functioning person, like somebody and you ever go to your way for go around them for find some way for undermine them. Not like it's fucking high school, like
Cause rather everybody know me know how me stay. You see, if me know rate you, cause rather me no go on TikTok. Me no watch no live. You are the only live me go on TikTok. If me no rate you, me no like you, me no deal with you. You understand me I say? So if me dey feel certain type of way about Alien, trust me, rather you wouldn't even hear me call her name. You understand what I'm saying?
All right.
But
so it
anyway,
is what it is.
it is
And
what
we
it
let it
is.
go now.
It is
And we're
what it is.
moving
We
forward.
just go. She need to just stay away from me and keep my name on her mouth.
So
And we good.
I respect where you there. I'm a respect where she there. And we're going to maintain
That's
the
it.
peace. You don't,
And for the record, you know, one later down the road, she act like a me. They say something, I do something because sometimes her memory good and sometimes it's not. So later down the road, I hope she remember this night. I remember exactly what she said and what brought us to this place. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Raga, you good though?
Yes, man. Yes, man.
All right. So may I see you next month?
Louis.
Mm.
Yeah, but probably I'm an artist, man. So
It's not a probably, Raga. Come on now. We're gonna do a mini TamFam link up.
yeah. I'm an
Cause
artist.
Sina go there, you know.
What? Sina go there?
Sina, we are gonna link up Sina, you know.
Okay, but she no. Well, so many times she have to go, she have to send in like an application. From what I know, it's a 2-month advance application she have to get because she under severe man government. But this is less than 2 years. I don't think so she can get time off to come out of the house.
I don't believe that. Sina come clear your name.
No, Sina under severe man government. So she anytime she want to go out anyway, she have to give her like a 2-month application, 2-month advance. I don't know. Probably things get improved and the time get shorter now. Oh, she should post and say get approved already. You see that response now is somebody who know how things work over here.
Exactly.
Oh God. No, man, you know, so Louis Culture, I'm an artist, man. That have nothing to do with you. Louis Culture, I'm an artist, fam.
Oh, no. I know.
No, but just I say, so I am very much open to going, because, and a long time I not seen perform,
Well, me can't say that because me back in Batty everywhere.
Me know. General man, see.
Yeah, man. I'm a G man.
You see it. Now say a word, man. Cool.
Yeah, man.
All right, blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah, man. Good night, TamFam.
Man. And people, I have to go airport tonight to pick up my son, so I have to leave. So anyway, let's see what I go and do now. So. All right. The boss are forward,
Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Raga, I'll walk on, Zion need to come to the front of the line, because I don't understand when start up the pass
Hold
and
on. You
disappear.
talking my son or Zion Train?
No, Zion Train. Oh, my God, your son, Raga. What kind of outside and this day me are going in the night?
My boy jumping at this now.
Yeah, I'm jumping at this. But nice, clean look of Zion. I know if me a time, man, me a talk big tough Zion Train.
When Zion Train just come in and just effortlessly come just charge up a place and things
Me say, and take away himself, we can't find him.
Yeah.
Me I go swim for emotional distress. Me not lie.
Well, whatever me hear say, I don't know if it's true. Right? I don't know if it's true. But me hear say somebody after you come off with him, somebody talk to him and through can drive truck, and him did a pass by them, him say stop by and me say she lock him up in a dungeon.
Raga. Why you so big, see?
No, me hear say she lock him up in a dungeon over California. Tal.
Lord God. So that's why I miss her?
Yeah, me
Poor Zion Train.
Lock up in a dungeon over California, can't come out to right. Tal lock him up over there.
So we are going to rescue him or we are leaving?
Rescue what? Me not go over there. Me not go over there. I'll pray for him. Right? I'll pray for him. Yeah,
but Raga,
so she said the right, yeah, so she tells him the right there.
I want to give one joke.
Yeah.
But look at Dos Santos, so come up here, I can call up my look at name. Dos Santos, yes, you need to change your name to Jesus with the 5 fishes. You feed the one multitude.
What you take on the general for now? What?
I take him after come tell him me get my dry bulla. You better put some respect on it. Tell him so me get ackee and starfish and cockatoo.
God. Nah, what you mean the man never then me set him up, me go call up your name. Him never voluntarily off his own volition.
Him call up my name first and then he say, yeah, don't be a she no man, you call bulla she get the
No, because him see your comment. You think then you a pepper him.
I swear you did that sign.
You did that sign, man. Whatever. Listen to me. You know, I'm not hiding from money. No, Miss Lady do me with my talking them. Okay. You know my talking story, right?
No.
You don't know my talking story?
No.
Seriously?
Seriously. Oh, thank you, Dos Santos.
All right. Let me tell you my talking story.
Yeah.
So boy come from ghetto. Moi. So boy start go Bossy school at that time then a Calabar did Bossy, them time then.
Oh, my dad went there. You might have know my dad.
Oh, probably, you never know.
Greenlander, maybe. I don't know. But anyhow.
Me I go Calabar at the first me see, you know, understand how like picnic I get drop off in a car at school.
Yeah.
When me come back, something I was like, what? Anyway, so and I first now made a one-on-one with Jamaican white picnic and all them something there, whatever. I was like, whatever. So you always hear about Uptown and we talk about Uptown, but we've never been Uptown. So when you go Calabar them time there, you're amongst Uptown, some Uptown people, a mixture, whatever. And you're young. You're in high school, you're picnic. Me passing my common entrance. So when me going to high school, I was 10 years old. I passed first time, whatever, this and that. And
the people a long time in Brighton, a long time in Brighton, but continue.
No, them did have a little system. So you get 3 choices.
If you never did Brighton, you still would end up over Calabar.
No, man. Well, them days, but then my mother, Calabar is Baptist, and my mother, just fair thing, and we go church.
Can you just say the compliment and tell me the story?
Whatever. So, anyway, some of them amongst Uptown people, so some start here what Uptown people do. But remember, say, you're young and, develop that thing there yet where you're self-contained there, busy with people. So you start to aspire now for them around Uptown people.
Yeah.
And then now you see the uptown boy them with uptown girl.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Long hair,
They did have the uptown money.
brown, and what? Hold on, man. And whatever, man. And sitting and whatever. So boy dazzle now, you know, because boy grew up in a post-colonial society who believes so brown people and white people are the thing. Them time the boy are idiot, you know. And boy thinks like, oh, brown girl pretty, white girl pretty, and I'm sitting there, whatever. So boy did several years in a school, uptown people, them not chat to boy. Cause them not mix and mingle. Them have them own little crew and thing. And when we go fet, back in them days, it was all about fet. And the high school fet them, it was the thing.
Yeah.
You don't understand. Fet was, make anybody my age tell you, fet was the thing.
I know about fet. Come on.
It was fet and barbecue. Whenever a school
But
had
fet and
barbecue,
yeah.
what? A big sitting that, or fet and whatever. So when me got them fet, them not chat to me. But me no know why, you know, but the booty did come out of me. But me never see it.
You never see it because I just use.
Yeah, because the ghetto just start up in me, but me never see it. Me not understand it. You know, me was one of them people who probably...
But Raga, yeah, take me around the corner. I want to hurry to the story about the kinds.
Well, man. So, yeah, me was one of them people who probably I say, the people them were deading. I think they speak perfect standard English, okay? All right. So anyway, them days, you know, the game them where we used to play.
Yeah.
You used to have one table game in a bar named Skittle. My old man named Skittle. And then you did have ping pong thing, right?
Ping pong, man, yeah.
Yeah, and ping pong game was you literally lick about silver bar. Yeah, I know. So one day, you know, one big video. That time video thing them just bust down, you know, spacing bearders and them something then. And one nice one bus, you know, one place that Cross Sandwich Park Bembe used to keep, you know, weekends in the Cross Sam this one. And I just saw the uptown pit them go. I just saw the pretty girl them go. So when me you know, I said I saw them I go in the on Constant Spring Road and whatever, you know. They said me have to go up this one day, you know. Yeah, because me want to go par with the pretty girl them and the uptown people them. That time boy I hustling, you know, me in the street or whatever, you know. I save up my money and hustling, you know. And go take go thief all the people them thing out of them store and them pharmacy and sell it and save up my money, you know, for go.
Yeah.
Until I have good money now, you know. And me I say me I go up at the uptown place there.
But like how much money, Raga? Like how much money did have?
No.
If you go like you just give me an idea.
I don't remember, but a little bit of money. But to me, it was no.
But it was no money.
Back then,
all right.
there was no.
All right.
I'm going to go up there, I have my good money. So when we go up there, you can't use the money, you have to buy token.
Yeah.
So you buy the token and then you put the token them in a machine them. So I go, so boom, now I'm going to buy the token, buy my token them. I'm going to find one nice video game and thing and whatever. And choose me a star boy. Friday. I just proud out my token them on the video game and thing and whatever. I made it I play my own game. But it's like it's the same ping ball, you know, but at the video one now, you know. Right? I made it I play and whatever. And after a while, you know, I say pretty girl come around my game. That time the place ram, you know, and pretty girl come around my game. And them start talk to me. At the first, pretty girl talk to me, you know.
Yes, because you did have the kind them on the top of the table.
Stop your foolishness, man. I love me, man. Both kind on top of the table.
You did have the kind on top of the table. I don't know. Well, you see how you're this smart? You already knew the one key factor, so the money could have catch you.
No, what? Me
if you never know, tell me why you spread out the kind them on the table.
I swear upon my mother name and I agree. Me just in my own little space. Because it was just whatever me on my corner.
So why, all right, you know, me know say something, me know say, you know, all right, why you da save up all of that money there for carry yourself up there and then you buy your tokens and line them up?
No, you're stuck in a 2026 paradigm. Right? No. The money was just, I go up there and I have to participate. You know,
But why you couldn't participate with the money in your pocket?
No, you're not. It's not about the money in the pocket. The token.
It's about your money by your table and good girl sister your money turn up.
Hold on, man. Then I tell you, me just say right there. So me didn't look a corner by myself, you know. I play. So I just put my two of me and one over there. But then the girls them come over there and them talk to me. Long hair, blonde hair, Jamaican, white girl. That me them talk to. But them like me.
I bet they did.
So them they talk to me and them do that something they want to do, you know. Hi, so where you from? And them touch me. And them mind and them start very cunningly and them start do the pump his ego. Oh my God, you play so well. What can I say? You know, whatever. Yeah. And boy, I play now, whatever. They big me up, you know. And you know, we start perform now, you know. And then one of them said, "Can I try?" I said, "Sure, go on." She put in token or whatever. I'm playing. The other one want to try play. But then one of them now, she, you know, it obvious that she take a liking to me. It's like obvious that me make her weak. Yeah.
Okay.
She weak to me. I know she weak to me and thing and whatever. Because I feel it. And I saw now, you know, after she played, she said, if me can I'm gonna try. One on man. So she said, like, can I take some token and try another game? I said, sure. Because she like me. So she
answer my exact question. How much coins did it cost?
So she take token and go whatever. And then she come back after again and play a little bit and take token and gone again. But obviously she play other games, but then she come back to me because she like me.
Yeah, she played the biggest game, but continue.
And then now, you remember me I tell her she did not touch me?
Yeah.
So I remember say there I said the game, you know. Yeah. So one night time when she come on and can you know you have to the whole game them you have to draw back the thing for ball go. But then, you know, so like she dip on her side and she had touched something. Her hand go round me.
I know.
And I just feel the electricity and all these things, you know, and whatever. And then when her hand go around me and she look up and she smile and whatever, and right there and then I knew it. I just know it. We there. I'm a woman. Yeah, I just know we're there.
At this point, how much coins did she take when she was going to the next
That was irrelevant. I feel my woman. I feel my woman. We're there. So at the point when I realized we're there and all the attention me I get from her and whatever. Token wasn't a problem. Boy, I go buy more token and thing because my girl need token and we're there.
Yeah.
And then we're there, they are going and she use token and she go and she take token and go play other game and she come back and thing and touch me and whatever.
And the touch just get nicer and nicer.
Whatever. So after a while now, me not see my girl.
I want to drop the iPad, yeah.
Me not see my girl and it is natural if you and your woman there's somewhere you know see her.
Yeah, start look for her.
You look for your girl. You go look for your girl, you know. You go look for your girl. So me just pile up all of my token them when me have, you know, I look at something with kind of did have to look at bucket thing. And you put out and some start walk, but it the kind of be like crowded, you know. And me I walk and I look for my girl, and thing and can't find her and then me see her way over one corner. So if me I look for my girl and me see her way over one corner, and you see her, you walk to the corner. But one boy did stand up in front of her, but the boy back turned to me. But me see my girl, but she a face it. And my girl never really see me yet, you know, but me I come over to her. So when me I walk and come over, go over to my girl now and whatever, cause me see my woman and me I go to my woman and thing. Me hear the boy say, yeah, just go back to the pussy hole and go get some more token and come.
Oh my God. Oh my, and I slap him in the head back.
Let me tell you something else.
Yeah.
I always tell people say, you have one hungry where you feel, where you like you're hungry, and you don't eat. But guess what? You're hungry, and you don't eat. The hungry go away after a while, you know.
Yeah.
And when the hungry they go away, if you don't drink too, you know, you get light. You just get light and you feel spaced out and kind of like wispy. And you feel like your body not solid or anything. You know, what's the other feeling that me get right away is like, you ever drive in a car and you go over one hill and go down and you feel your belly bottom roll and sitting,
The best expedition would be a balloon get pop. All of the ear just let out of the balloon.
You don't even pop. It's just like it slowly just leave. You ever hear people talk about your soul left your body and go?
Yeah.
Somebody just stand up there in a moment and what? Because I was confused because this is my girl.
Yes.
My girl this.
And she really like you. She touch it in your waist.
She touch me and put her hand around me and take all of my talking them and whatever. My woman, we're there. We're coming in and we're there. And you've been relating to me like we're there the whole time or whatever. So, you over there, I met this boy, I said him something about me, you know, do nothing. I may just stand up now, I just feel empty. You ever hear people say you're in a crowded place and something happened and it was like nobody, you ever watch the movie there? Where somebody in a crowded place and then the director like make everybody disappear, but them still there and you feel like you're alone.
I just you alone, did it?
Yeah, I may just feel alone. I may just feel weak. Like my
Yo, Raga, me give you one joke.
You know, man. So when I know I'm gonna take time, it's like me barely find energy for walk out. I feel like I'm gonna faint and drop down. I'm gonna walk out and then walk right out, you know, with the talking them to, you know, come up on Kingston Spring Road and walk, go down. Everybody know that gas station out Dunrabin and Kingston Spring Road corner. I think it's now a total. The owner them, the killer, the owner were there. I'm going to walk, go down to that gas station. Because that gas station, they did it forever, you know. And I saw me just sit down upon them and one look flower bed beside the part where you have to go inside. And I just saw me sit down and catch my breath and just have a moment. And that was my pivotal moment. When me end up now, I go down a path from this. So me never get everything never crystallized right there, you know. But that was the initiation. Say.
What did you learn from it?
Don't trust blood clot woman.
Brother,
woman are wicked.
Let me tell you that one here really
woman
quick.
Are wicked. Okay.
Because I know say you have to go. So you know say one time this boy come from a country named Chris. That time I was like 13, right? And my plan for go kiss Chris, you know. My plan for go kiss Chris. Yeah. But my dad for wait for my mother going to church.
Yeah.
So, me and him have a big elaborate plan, you know, say, when my mother go to church, me and my cousin are going to sneak out of the house, and me going to get for going to get my kiss, so me a dream about. You know, say, no, don't laugh, Raga. You know, say, my mother wappy back and do and come from church, so me can go outside. Good night.
Good night.
Oh, you're inside? All right, I'll be back.
Yeah. We said a good night there again.
I said good night?
No, because that good day, no. I know good you say, no. It's like GNNG. It's like
so,
no, wait, no. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Yeah.
So my mother walk me back from church. I say anytime we out for the badness, you know, it's like something. I tell my mother all the time, you know.
Yeah.
I tell her could get away with nothing. I say my mother walk me back from church, you know, I can't left out of the yard. I didn't know, so my cousin come tell me, say, she said, Chris, run there, now another little girl yard, sit down, the two of them sit down with them foot crisscross and ground.
You're just dead. You're just dead. You're just dead.
I say, and him never come back around my yard for no more kissing.
No.
If they done with me from the night, I lose him, man.
That girl leg, they were cross film leg and thing. That seal it up right this man. And seal it up right there for your career done. Look how long you talk to you and your leg never cross film leg yet and thing and whatever. What?
I say, you want me up him look a sad love song in the house about and can't talk to me about.
Yeah. Well, probably, I don't know them time they if you didn't know the Tony Braxton's sad love song. You know, sad love song.
God. One other time with me and my cousin, I don't know what she did, but they lived in St. Mary's. I went for the holidays. So she had one girl that argue about one guy. And them time that the people them have the you call it the answering machine. And she make me and her go up on the people them and send machine go sing about that you need to give it up.
You need to what?
Give it up. I have had enough. It's now clear to see that boy is mine. And me and her sing out the song upon the people them.
The Brandy and the what name there?
And the people them voicemail, you know.
Brandy and what the other one name was she saying? Right?
I don't even remember.
Somebody
but I know.
Brandy and Monica.
Yes, Monica and Brandy, I think, sing it. If I'm not mistaken. But anyway, you know, said the woman called back me auntie and play the auntie.
In your bright silver car. And when I tell her, she said she will give it to her because the boy is here, is done.
I say, we could have left the yard all summer long.
When you're brighty, I live bantan in song from people answer machine. You need to give it up.
I'm going to say we are sing out, you know? We sing out what answer. I'm say my auntie sound too little bit bright.
So how old you were them time then?
Well, I know, like teenager to like 14, them age there. Sing out.
Yeah, that was my age.
Sing out.
My age when time that the immaculate girl do the wickedness to me. It was like 13, 14 around them time.
So we go through it earlier.
Yeah.
Those
but you know,
you
have people out there, you know, who say, oh, nobody never broke up with me yet. I mean, never fall in love and dead over nobody yet. You have them people.
Them is I said I don't tell like, hey, one
lie.
time, one guy in my neighbor would give me one sign where say I love Eric, and he could have you call it glow in the dark. Saying I know some media school with my one strap bag on shoulder, come go all the shower. One strap bag on shoulder, walk underneath the tree of parliament with my sign and say I love Eric. You know so another girl underneath the tree of parliament with fear saying I love Eric.
Well, now she get one to know.
Yes.
Oh, you mean?
No.
player.
It just, I'm say, you know, a woman say, you know. So we start corresponding. And she said, where did you get your sign? And me, I tell her, and she, I tell me. You know, so the girl live down the road.
Yes,
I said, man. The boy, my community did dangerous.
Yes, man. Then we learn them rules, you know, when, because you have some man lazy with the thing, you know, they may all have 3 women, you know. And I buy one nice perfume and just buy 3 of the nice perfume for 3 women. Them big mistake. If you're a real player, you don't do that, man. Don't buy the same gift them for woman.
And then only to hear says was more of us like him sister bring him a bag of the sign.
Yeah.
And him just issue them out.
Oh, you mean? Make you feel special. Yeah.
Him could have chatted to me after that. What you talking about?
Lucky, man. Lucky and think you did a muggle with your sign, though.
True. You want some with, you know, our sleeve roll up on shoulder and a bag on shoulder and I walk with my sign and take it off from my bag CMD.
Yeah. All right. Now say a word, man. See?
All right. Later, big up. And have a good night, guys.
Yeah,
love
man.
y'all.
See you tip on your work there and thing.
All right.
I'm going to take about our time now. Okay, my son. Check this thing, man. Wait. Sometimes line. Oh, here it is. People, I just need to no, just a minute. Don't them usually have a thing right on the front of the app for you check the flight. Like flight time and when them are coming and so wait there. And then people I can change up them app man. Sometimes like them not have nothing to do. Oh, see it a flight status. You just need to check this thing and for make sure say don't want the Jenna. Oh, one of them. Okay. All right. So, what is the number now? Wait 1 second here, people. I just need to look on this thing. Okay. Okay, me see number. So I come back over here, so. Flight number. All right. Okay. Search. Oh. Okay. What time now? All right. So like 15 more minutes or so. All right then, cool. All right, cool. Daddy. Lord Jesus.
Hello.
When you come on, at them first we hear,
Hello.
you know, at them first we hear with them loud self,
My
you
box
know.
come and answer me.
You not hear me? We are here and she not hear me. Woman. Ah, Jesus. They'll call her the frog princess. Me can't believe-
Hello.
Yeah, what?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alien right anyway. What the same thing was sent to myself say. Zion train if you come up to the front of the line for truth, you know.
Why?
Because no, this thing you get out of hand where woman a fight over him, woman a take him where and him the one side and keep him out like a nasty. Anything. And if you come up to the front of the class.
No, man, no. When them something go on, man, no for coming on the front and a class.
No, if you come talk. Anyway, Ilya, let me tell you something. Take my medication. You see, medication when you give me, them me take. Right? At least we take my one, take your one them. I mean, nah, stop beat you, your string bean as I am train no want you. You're so Greenland fat and look good and pretty. Eh? You're blind. Eh? The man no want you.
All right, well, let me ask you something. Tell me something. If you there with a man, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the man are born you. And you pre him, you know, but him no say you watch him and thing, you know, and then you find out this and that and that and this. And one day, you know, you roll up on him now, man, the girl now, and you say, I want to go on, boom, 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 boom. All right, here, listen to the trick question, you know. Me now ask you what you want to do in your interest. If you did in a theme position, what is a smart move for him do this?
The smart move if you come up and say, listen, I just one and a you. I can't say, well, maybe you can't say my friend, she my friend from long time. But me and her not there. If I'm smart enough, you can say, listen, I'm a friend. But you know, say me and you there. And me and you are roll.
But that is assuming that him rate you like that.
Yeah.
Right. All right. So if you run up on your man with a woman who you consider outer woman, a bonnet woman, and when you run up on him now, and you say, "What going on? Ushi," and then film responses, you what the excitement for? Yeah, I'm gone here, man, and him walk away. And him walk away, and you try to bring him back for whatever, and him walk away and let go and thing, and then when him run. What you say I go on this?
Listen. I don't say run up a man when you see man with woman.
No. Me just ask you if that happen.
Listen.
What does that mean? What that mean if the man him not declare nothing and him run off?
If me sure say I'm woman. If me sure say I'm woman. All right? If me sure say I'm woman and him me a war, me now war the woman.
No, you're not listen to me. I understand all of that. I'm just saying, if I not you, take you to if that happened to a woman and she roll up, right, and her man, who she say her man, the woman I born that woman, and her man theme responses, yeah, what the excitement for? Just call man and whatever man, and just loud. And she say, Ushi, and him say, yeah, stop the foolishness, man, and she try, and him go on till him run off and thing, right? So him make no declaration about anything. What that I say about the woman who him there with? What that I say about him and the two women them? What do you think that I say?
In my book, you know, he must say, well, him not there with she. We're probably not one side woman. But I don't know if me look for
No, you know, but it's funny, you know. But the woman who it happened to, you know, that is exactly what she do, you know. She say, yeah, you see, come ask him couldn't own her and whatever, come not there with her. Me him love. I mean him there with her and whatever that's, and him never own her. So what me I say is, couldn't it have gone another way if he say, all right. No, I'm not there with you. You me there with me don't even know her.
Exactly.
No, but him never do that.
No, but listen, we see when we go home a different story because it now go down.
No, I understand all of that. Say now, of course it not go done. I'm just saying, what does it say when the man don't declare himself there? What it say? What really have gone in a theme head?
It's simple me say them know there. Him on the side chick, they not want the side chick.
It's funny that you say that. But what I'm saying, is it there another interpretation that like, nah, the two on our mind when I'm say nothing right, I say no, if we go in up whatever. My brother book on one away one at a time, and I can repair it with you, one away and repair it with you, one away.
I know one answer.
You can't see it that way there. You can't see it that way there.
No more answer. One answer right now.
Then that man say if you want to answer right now, but you run we're gonna run him run him down.
Yeah, one answer. I mean, all right, I'm gonna ask her then. I'm gonna say to her, say, be woman to woman, tell me the truth. You mean something?
Yeah, no, but them obviously them in a something. I just say what it say will go on in a theme mind in relation to both of them.
Well, maybe your friends say me catch him then, me no know.
Okay, well, it's
maybe
funny.
Your friends say
no, it's funny you say that. But the woman who went name the and thing, and that she did say, see, him not there with her because him never say so and so and so. But me say, him never wait name the you either.
Right. So something I go on where why in catch him free, I don't know how to explain himself. Probably don't know how to explain himself, so he run off.
You still make excuse for him, you know.
Lord of mercy, Lord of Jesus. Me don't know if he said then. Because if him the answer when he come home, for the whole night,
look what Kay right. Look what Kay right. Kay say they're both being played. What you think about that? So the two women the two women being played.
Yes, my play away. I mean I said well my play himself then. One out of the two. My play away or my play himself.
Right.
One out of the two.
No, but it's interesting that you zero in right there, you know. And say, see it? Him not there with her, cause him run when him do everything.
Right. Cause frightened, you know, Jamaican say trouble take your picnic short fit. You say we ain't frightening run out.
When trouble take your lot of God, picnic short it I go fit you. Hey.
Right. So, what me want Zion trying to come up in the line to make himself clear if a Greenland or what. Can't have Greenland in the dark, so bro.
No, if I'm a Zion train, me not coming nowhere. You must harass, man.
No man.
Eh?
Listen.
Me a Zion train, man. I say, yo, me not that foolishness, you know. Okay,
they must say that the one they say, listen, my thing is, if she have a tree for the man, I mean, I go stop say so like how she not stop say the man look good. That the one they say, she still has said the man look good. She should have said, well, boy, I'm happy for the two of me not stop say so, me not stop beat me just and say, the man she want, me she go chip up ice with ice brick and drink whatever she drink. Until she call you or text you until she wait up herself and think about the man. Right? Me no stop say so cause since time me hear her, me no stop say him look good. She want the man. And the first time, Miss Lady, me hear the man voice all the time. It's not the first time I hear the man voice. And the first time I see him face, but maybe the first time you hear him voice. Till I not even hear him age. Till I have him as a daycare pitney. Never have him as a senior citizen. Right? So I don't know. And you shouldn't tell Raga say wait up yourself. Eh? You show you how you have up the man in your crawl like white fowl. Eh?
So that means you believe when me say she call me and tell me that then, right?
Yes, yes, I believe you because you couldn't wicked and lie so. You couldn't wicked and lies and tell that the serious lie upon her.
Right,
She call you, she
right,
text
right.
you and tell you say she wet up herself the
Yeah.
way after effect take her the next day.
Yeah, she
Eh?
did.
Yeah, the next day, yeah, she
Yeah,
can't stop saying him
yeah,
look good, him look
yeah.
good, him
She
look good.
said,
And she drink rum
yeah.
cream for him.
I mean,
Hmm?
she's saying it like it's just so vivid in my mind. I can't just remember every word and every emotion being expressed. She did.
No,
She
but
said
you're
it.
wrong. You're wrong. You should have asked her who should rum cream she drink.
No, it was
You wrong.
irrelevant. The rum cream was irrelevant.
No. You have all type of rum cream,
I know, but what I'm saying, the type of rum cream was irrelevant.
right? Me nah stop say ya. Me
What was
nah stop say the
relevant
man
is
no
the
want you.
reason the rum cream was open. That
Me
it
nah
don't
stop
matter.
say man no want you, Miss Lady. Me nah stop say you should have cheer for the young girl. You're too bad mind. One time the girlfriend want nice little man, you go drink rum. Me nah stop say my girl, you bad mind. You body teeth, you walk on teeth cocky like boardhouse, like chink in a boardhouse. Nah stop rub you out, you're too outside.
The lady say you need to go take your medication.
Me when she attack, yes, when she attack me go over me here, me come out of the people them house and go over me here, go take my medication and come back for her.
The lady say you need to take your medication because you're not right.
Yeah, me take it. That's why me I tell her say me take it because me know she listen. Me take my medication and I come back to the people them house and stand up nicely and I listen to her.
All right, you go until
Cocky
Lillian.
teeth.
You go until Lillian come for you 2 years and say she done with
Yeah.
you 2 years.
She tell me, you forgot, say she run out for me and tell me, say she done with me. She can't done with
No,
me.
that was fun though. But me say you go until Lillian get serious on you too and say, you know what, you go too far from her, dear, you know. All right. Red
No,
card.
listen to me. It's still me not call nobody, you can nobody. If you can't run joke, don't give joke.
Oh, that's what me. Well,
If
yeah.
you can't give run joke, don't give joke. And, ears. We say thick skin and broad back. Ears where come. When I buy 100 digital credit and put on my phone, I never know
For
how
call
when
Raga
time.
them days, they don't.
Yeah.
Ja, no.
And when time what's your name Ruthie say, can I call you back until me never understand the road code? Me go say, no, I will hold the line. Then I'm go here. You have 1 minute. Remain on this call. If you do, please hang up and try making your call later.
Well, your credit run off.
All of my credit run off. So ears. But me a rubber out. Left people man and go look man for yourself. Your old string bean. Lord the young girl.
Boy, your friend them busy tonight.
Yeah, come out the door me there. That people them do away.
Them enough,
Stay
sir.
with big beer. Stay with big beer. Big beer fits you. Because when you lie down on top of you, you will last. Because nobody not go see you because him big.
No, it's just that big beer. Stew beef come out like minced beef and thing. Alien can manage that.
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
Hmm?
Right. Because so gum she not no teeth in her mouth. So gum she have.
You make Alien come for you, you know?
Come for who?
You?
Alien can't come for me. Alien can't. Marty, they say you know you your blouse and skirt set on. You say you make me a call people name. You make people name slip out of my mouth.
Me?
Yes, you. Because you there call up people name, you know.
No, me. But I never me call Big Beer name. You bring up Big Beer name.
I said big beer, but I say me not call a lady name. I call a lady name.
Oh, you call her name. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So
you don't find. Yeah.
you're no
you don't
longer
find.
in a position where you say, but me never call her name because you did call her name. Okay.
I call her name. And I said not calling it. And you say you're second, because you call them and go make mistake and call it. But Zion chain for come to the line. Come talk one.
Yo, my friend Nakita, she in the chat as Naki B. She say you sound like, what did she say? Yeah, talk like somebody with like your foot white and ashy and stay bad. Like yeah. She say yeah, talk like your foot white and ashy and stay bad.
Naki name foot then supposed to white and ashy and stay bad. I should name whatever you want. You can say, no, me name you come in RGDD. Me put them supposed to white and ashy and stable. But guess what? Man still a look on them. And you want them well lotion, man now look on them.
Wow.
Your foot them well lotion and smooth. Like velvet, no man now look on. And female them will stay bad, man now look on them.
Okay.
So talk. What you know about me?
So why she would have just come out with... You know her? Have you ever met her?
No. I don't want to meet her.
Okay.
Because she not Jesus. What you know about me? Let me foot them stay. Man kiss off of my foot them. Come here bandy leg. What you know about me? Eh? I have sexy stand up.
Well, you have bandy leg?
Bandy leg me have. Me stand up very sexy.
But your pictures that I see, me not see no bandy leg. You sure?
I. No watch no picture because to me can't pose me. I try to do something.
Okay.
When I come talk about picture where you see, the one picture where you see from much in ears, eh? The one picture you see me in my red dress from much in ears.
Yeah, when you did go to a funeral, you did go though.
Yes, I went to a funeral.
But that picture there, it look like the funeral is done.
Yeah, the funeral is done. The funeral is over.
No, me pick it up, because when me look on the picture, it clear so you did carry the dead with you. You did carry the dopey, the dopey.
Me?
Yeah.
When I work with castic, I got some can't live for castic.
Some people just go funeral and carry home the dopey with them, So
me not carry home no dopey with me. Me not carry home no dopey with me. So if you carry home dopey with you,
your parents have never tell you that. Say you have some people dopey just follow them.
No, come here, dopey no size. Me and dopey no size, so dopey will follow me.
You look like somebody who absorbed dopey. Like you were just kind of absorbed dopey and things.
Remember, say me and you come remember you the Wobia man, so you know to absorb them.
No. I don't do the observation. I do the exorcisms, Me take dopey out of people and fling them a bush, Me tell you, I'm a good Wobia man. I'm not a bad Wobia
right,
man.
I'm not dopey on the pan, I'm not dopey in me. Say I go take off no, I take out no time, sir. A father God me say, no, me know to pray. I know how to pray. No. So the dopey can't come around me.
Dopey you may want to get a checkup, like a dopey in your checkup or something like that.
So why you don't come check me up? Why you don't come check me up?
No, me can't check you up, but I think me have to tie up your ankles them and turn you upside down and then dry you up in a tree and them something. I don't know if you're up to that.
No, come bone them all. Them not go set back on a young bone me have. And you wanna broke my bone.
We not broke your bone. We just want to tie up your foot them and put you
for
up.
what reason? And I start listen to me and I start your son, you want to say go tie me up, sir?
No, because we want the dopey drain out and you never carry a car, go get oil change it and then them put you on something and drain out the oil. That is how you get rid of the dopey. When you're upside down, you confuse the dopey.
Listen, nobody not turn baby upside down again. So I see why you want to turn me upside down.
You didn't know that dopey can't go upside down. You never know that.
No.
Dopey can't turn upside down.
No. Are you
never know that?
No.
So that's why when you go upside down and the dopey try stand up and whatever, the dopey head end up in your bottom and your front.
Jesus have mercy. All if you know busy.
I am just so tired of just talking a whole bunch of smack.
One bag of foolishness.
I'm being foolishness, man. I'm being foolishness when they are chatting, man.
Exactly. Me a crop your attack because I don't know where you get that story from.
Did you know that if you have visitors and them don't want to leave, if you get a broom and turn it upside down and put in a corner, them leave after that real quick? Did you know that?
Yes, that I heard.
Okay, I think you're going to send me make up that one there too. You hear that? You know, you're right.
No, but I don't have to turn my broom upside down because listen, I asked what are you leaving, so I don't need to turn the broom upside down.
Okay.
I'm asking you, what are you plan to leave?
And then if them not plan to leave or whatever you need to get them to leave, what you do?
Nothing.
You turn the broom upside down in a can and then we leave, man. According to Jamaican customs, that's what.
Well, the next time around when visitor come by,
listen, just take out the bed and sleep on the floor. Then we leave.
I don't have to take out the bed. I have a sleeping bag. So I can go in the sleeping bag and sleep on the floor. Or I lean up the bed, one out of the two. I won't do that neither. That is totally disrespect. No, I wouldn't do that. That's rude.
Do what?
To lean up the bed because they have to leave. No, that's rude.
No, that's too much. That's
right. No.
I want them enamel something the pot at what that a while ago.
Christ, God Almighty, Raga.
Is what
somebody Raga as somebody, you know, family that even say who come outside and knock something. Raga make you want to your ears and we cotton.
No man, me hear some pattern pan.
Yeah, me hear it too. Raga, me hear it too. I hear it, Raga. Somebody maybe come next door, just someone knock something.
Well,
I maybe go back in. Nobody can get ears again, and so you're not going to hear nothing knock again.
No, I'm just concerned for your safety. Why if I dump it with 2 pot cover and I come for slam your head together, you don't know.
Listen, I said to you earlier, I can pray and I don't play with Duppy. I can pray.
Yes, but God help those who help themselves. God not just want your prayer. The people who pray and then lazy up a thing, you know, you think say God answer them prayer. God, let me tell you something. God never answer people who pray to God and take no step to solve a problem and then pray to God for. God not answer them.
And listen, all the Duppy them down here is my ancestors them. From a great till me come down to my mama and so forth. So then I don't know.
Well, that assume that all your ancestors were honorable, virtuous, noble people, which goes against the reality of when they existed. You have good people and bad people. You can't say everybody in your family were deceased. All of them was good people. You can't. Some of them never too
I'm not saying that, but I'm so cross, so they're not going to come around me. You don't know, so Duppy don't go and cross people. People who are cross, Duppy don't play around them, Raga. You don't know that, and I'm very cross. You don't know that.
Oh, Duppy can't manage the people them who cross.
No.
All right, I guess you teach me something.
No, I'm cross, and then I'm going to come around me. Them know that come around me.
All right, boo-boo, all right. I'm going to show you in a car. My boy, I come up at the airport in the night, you know.
Dr. Mac, big up yourself. Come here, some word show since night, and I figure out say them a show word pan. Big up yourself, Dr. Mac.
Dr. Mac in the chat?
I don't know. I wasn't looking in the chat because you said we must not pay the chat in the mind.
Oh.
I just saying. No, when your master was talking about the show, and you say about man government, it just come on my brain say Dr. Mac head attack.
No.
Dr. Mac on chat. Then you say somebody from the other side.
What do you mean that? No. You see, you mix up. That wasn't talking about Dr. Mac about anything.
That's what I realized. Says was she on that chat.
No. Well, I just say me never did that talk about her, and you said that's what you realize. It's only she me did that chat. Like,
listen, I said I said that's what I realized. I never she did that chat.
Never, no, sir.
Because first of all, when me about the man government, I said to myself, say, here, Marcy and Raga now a true word from Dr. Mac. That's what I said to myself.
But why would you think Dr. Mac and the man government?
Because you always assumes that. You always say that session the man government.
No, you're right. I mean, me did that. But
I used to so.
Yeah, but Raga make up shit every day, man.
Yeah, but Marcy, go down and eat man government too. Why not say Marcy and eat man government?
Marcy and the man government quietly, but she don't want nobody know.
Oh. Right.
Marcy and the proper man government. But she hide it and keep it low and whatever and thing like that.
Right. So when you heard that chat you're not true a word, and that come to my head back and I say, oh, no man should want that.
Yeah, Marcy and the man government, man.
Yeah. But me God me not underneath no.
Marcy and the man government and I want elect parliament and the man and the parliament now elect right. Yes, one president you have and me.
Exactly.
I saw him have her like a little claffy.
Right, I'm glad me not need no man government. Hey, what up your hand, girl, for you not a man government? Whoa. So what is shocking all about? You sit down like a shock.
No, I notice say sing and whatever, and then when you start sing, your friend them they get quiet. So I wonder if I hold up your hand and that quiet them.
Of course, me don't hold up my hand and click my finger. So hey, don't do it, my beard. Don't do it. Time at my beard. That means do that. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Me, I say, hold up your
Don't do
hand,
it.
you know, and the man government, and it sound to me like you did a hold up your hand, and the whole I bullfrog then get quiet, because it look like them a hold their nose.
Them can't hold them nose because guess what? Smell fresh. You're out tired. Don't do it. I do it. I do them good something there. Remember some skinny, you know, so I have to be when the time cold, me no run water jump, but like when the time hot now, me run water jump, me beard. Don't do it. You're out tired.
All right, boo, big
Right.
up yourself, you know, and say hello to your friend them for me, yeah.
You know, so I look at me see one earlier. Oh, me see one. Maybe people follow a spot.
All right, man. I say I heard, man. See it, love and blessings, man. See it.
Black Jesus, me I shut your door, come me I go over now. I'm afraid you do over.
Hold on. You still in a Black Jesus place?
Yes. Yes, right.
So hold on. So I traded in a theme place, make your phone did sound so clear?
Yes, Raga.
Well, that means you're up on him Wi-Fi then. You did up on him Wi-Fi?
Yes. Yes, Raga.
You did up on Black Jesus Wi-Fi?
Yes, so when Ileana said, "Fear, she
no, hold on. So if you did in a Black Jesus house all this time, and that was the call you just made was just so pristine clarity. We have no problem. We heard you, whatever.
Yes.
So when you're in a theme house, we hear you good, and you come out now, but we can't hear you good in your house.
Right.
Then that, you know what that means? That means you don't have Wi-Fi in your house.
Then the world know that you just are doing maths.
So you really never have Wi-Fi? You really not have Wi-Fi in your house for true?
No, from over Black Jesus here, they come, pick up in my house over Black Jesus, pick up.
So all this time when I beat you, I think I joke, you really did I pick up Black Jesus Wi-Fi all this time, though?
All this time. Come in there near Black Jesus. Why that all long? You want to hear me?
What's the shortest verse in the Bible? Jesus wept. Black Jesus wept. When look at me there, Bantan, and I keep up the arms, and the whole time I was spot on. So when me all tease you, and I said, no, just go to the side where the Wi-Fi there, whatever. Say, all this time I go towards Black Jesus. What me I tell you know, so my mother tell me, you know, I've been ignoring a piano. My mother say, you don't understand, you have a gift, you can pick up things, but you joke out this thing and whatever. Your mother always tell me, you know, so I have a gift. All this time I joke out the thing and whatever, you know, I was on point. A while ago when they said Black Jesus, me I go in, you know, boom. I mean, hear the door close and the tonality of your surrounding your phone changed. I said, oh shit, she was really over there and come on with you, but she was just totally clear just now. So it means that Black Jesus, they're near to you. Maybe they're beside you for you to walk out this time of night and I go over your back of your place. So I'm like, hold up. So the reason why our call was just so clear just now, shall I use Black Jesus Wi-Fi? And then she'll go back over for your house and we're not here or good. The Wi-Fi over there. Oh shit. Raga, you were right all along.
God walk right here.
Damn. Oh, that is funny. You just made, no, that's a good note for any night, man. The night bless. I'll Ileana laugh right, you know. All right. Anyway, bless up yourself. Okay? Oh, she get cut off no because she got back over me. We can't hear right, okay? Black Jesus Wi-Fi. Black Jesus Wi-Fi. Oh, God. We get cut off. Oh, God, poor thing. Anyway, people. I'm leaving now. No, I'm okay. Oh, I gotta go. That's 11 o'clock. You know, I gotta go, folks. I gotta go. All right. Take care of yourself and I'm Morris here. Blessings, man. Cool.